So you're already calling him your husband? Eh?
You heard me well, big fool.
Oh, my darling. Why not wait? Let him return. So he'll be the one to choose his wife. And you already know who that is. Don't you know? I don't need to tell you. I will take a good look at me. I am beautiful. Well endowed. You can't think. So just relax, okay? Wait a minute. Better than ranting your mouth. Get out! Did you just hit me? I will hit you again. Did you just hit me? Are you mad? I want to stop you. I didn't even touch you. You grabbed my leg. She used that stuff on my head, my leg. She used it on my leg. Mama, I did not do anything to her. She caused the fight. Mama, it's a lie. She hit me with this simply because I told her that when my Charlie boy comes back, that he will wife me. That's all. That's all. She hit me with this all over my body.
Oh, so you don't know? Is that why you laid your filthy hands on my daughter in there? Haven't I warned you several not to harass her whenever she comes to this house? It's on a baby.
Okay, stop that. Stop that. How many times have I warned you to stop harassing some member in this house?
Oh, you have concluded I'm harassing her without finding out what she did.
Alright. What has she done this time around?
This good for nothing girl broke the waist leg. I didn't do anything just because she cannot accept that my son, telling one, will not marry her. She now decided to pour her frustration on my own. Did I hear you? Will you call me?
Agnes, Charlie, my son, will decide who will finally be our daughter-in-law, and not you. Eh? You and I may have our own choices, but don't forget, he has the final say in this matter.
Man, you lie.
Man,
you lie. You will do as I say. All you did was just to donate. I'm the one that carried him in this my room for 9 months. I breastfed him with this breast.
Isn't it you carry on your head? What I say in this house, it's what will happen. I'm the head of this family.
Nanya Siocha. He will do as I say. He's my son.
Yes.
No.
Mama. Mama, Charlie boy will marry me.
He will marry you.
He's my Charlie boy.
Yes, he will marry you. Come inside. Come inside. Agabe, give me granite 200.
Granite 200?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I believe that granite. Give me water. Mama, I don't understand. I want us to start dragging who comes first.
Excuse me. Please mind the way you talk to my sister.
Shut up! I wasn't talking to you, idiot. And the same thing I care about. I want to start the own baby. My own papa. Yes. Now so your mama take that. My own mama. Yes.
How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I hope you're still coming home for Christmas. You know, the last time we spent Christmas was 3 years ago. As you can see, age is no longer on my side. Please come home, get married, so that you can bear me grandchildren. It's okay, I've heard you. I still have enough money with me. It's alright, you can still send money. Send the alumego. But it's you I want, not money. Please take good care of yourself for me, oh? Bye.
Mama, this is
okay.
sent to buy food.
Oh, thank you so much. Take some now.
No, I'm okay.
Why?
Mama, I'm fine. It's for you.
I know it's for me.
Mama, I'm not hungry.
It's okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Hope you're fine.
I'm very, very fine.
Okay, I have to go now. My mother will be looking for me. I'll come back and check for you.
Wait up for me.
One.
Take care. Bye-bye.
No, and she's looking so beautiful. Ada, you're looking hot. Eh? Thank you.
So, where are you going to now? Where are you off to?
I'm rushing to an appointment. Appointment? Ada, so you came to this village and you did not bother to tell us that you're around, Abi? I'm so sorry. I just got back. See, I was actually planning to come and see you in your house immediately I come back from where I'm going to. Yeah. So where are you girls going to?
We are strolling. We are strolling.
Strolling?
Yes.
With matches?
Okay. I'm actually in a hurry. I'm very, very late now. But I will see you guys when I come back. Okay? Take care. Yeah. Alright. Enjoy your strolling. Alright. Bye.
What's the name of that?
Are you okay? So if they leave you now, you tell her that you're going to go and do farm work. Are you okay? Don't you know if you tell her now, she'll start looking down on us? Yeah, you want to tell her that you want to go and do farm work?
I don't know. That's true. She'll not be thinking you're local.
Yes, nah. That's what I was trying to do sign for you so that you code.
Okay.
You know I'm doing all this stuff because I want to save money and buy Christmas things. That's why I'm doing all this.
That's true. Christmas clothes for all these returnees.
Yes, nah.
We need to go.
Let's be going at them because I'm not waiting for us. I'm telling you now. Oh, what? They look like hands. I don't know what you're seeing today. Am I at that?
Yes, I'm at the junction. It's fast.
Baby, the daughter of Ego, baby. Ada, this one you are looking so beautiful and so hot. Where exactly are you going to?
Oh my goodness. Did you just spark this your stupid oil and come down here to ask me stupid questions? Huh?
No, Ada, I just asked you a simple question and you are getting angry. See, Ada, let me tell you, I don't mean to make you angry. Have you forgotten who I am? I am Mekus, the professional Otunpo keke driver that can ride from this village to New York City, baby. Adugo, you can't just be standing on this road alone like this. Why Mekus is riding and I will just walk away? No. See, I am ready to give you the whole of my time today just to make sure that I take you, to make sure that I ride with you from this place to New York City, baby.
Please. Don't step back! What's all this? I'm not going to enter this stupid thing. I know it. I will try.
They say love is blind. True love is hard to define. A word for love, come for love. Your love, papa. Don't listen to them.
Adugo, baby. Hi. Adugo. The daughter of Ego. How can I
Adugo reject me. Me, Mekus, the professional Otunko keke driver that can ride from this village to New York City. Adugo, I can ride anywhere in the world, baby. So Adugo, no wonder she's looking so beautiful and so hot, waiting for just a ride. My ticket. From New York City, baby. I got this keke from New York City, baby. I am Mekus. Mekus, the professional auto keke driver that now clear from this place to New York City. People don't even know that I can ride with you to New York City, wherever you wanna go, baby.
It is so easy to fall in love, but it is harder to find someone that will catch your heart.
What happened? You're not looking happy.
Mama, is it not Zamekere? That girl that doesn't have self-control, that stupid girl, parading herself in Imazu's corner's house, saying that when Charlie Boy comes back, that Charlie Boy will marry her and not me. Mama, why are you laughing? I don't understand. This is not funny. Mama, I am telling you something as serious as this and you're laughing. Mama, Zamekere fought me. She fought me. Mama, it baffles me that this girl doesn't even have self-control. I mean, which girl in her right senses goes after a man? Who?
I see. My daughter, Charlie Boy is your husband. And bless my friend has made that promise, and so shall it be. As for Zamekere, Zamekere has the guts to fight you. We shall see. We shall see.
I consider here. It's fun now. Yes,
What are you doing? Seated under the tree.
Mama, we are resting.
So this is how you want to get my job done? Okwaya?
Mama, look around now. Did you see any farm implements here like tractor or bulldozer? We are using our hand. And so what? Mama, I don't understand. Do you want us to perform magic and finish this work in a twinkle of an eye? Eh? Do we look like crackers to you? Mama, we need to rest so that we won't break down. We are tired. Let's rest more.
Well, all I know is that I've paid both of you. But you see, this is my job. You must finish it today. That's our agreement, though. That's our agreement.
We'll finish it. We'll finish it, Mama. We'll finish it. Just calm down. All you have to do is just get the balance of our money ready.
That is not the problem. Your payment is not the problem. Once you are done with your job, you come and have your money. You know I don't owe.
Okay, don't worry. We'll finish it.
It's okay. Only the sick go and see all. Oh, you know go. I will see you people later.
Okay. Bye-bye. Wait, I don't understand. You're okay this offer. Me and you. See, I don't have strength to work. I don't even have strength to continue. I don't have strength at all. John is that you are home. Better go and start working. It seems like you are forgetting that we have targets. You're right. In short, you've rested enough. Stand up. Let's go and continue. Go and be working. I'll join you. Me, I'm tired. Let me rest here. Be fast. I'll join you. Come and join me now.
Chekume, where is the drink now?
I'm coming.
Okay.
Please.
Sweetheart.
Ike. I didn't know you're still around though.
Fogoni and EJ working. I say let me still, achieve one or two things in this village before going back to the city.
Yeah, I understand.
No problem.
If you need anything else, let me know.
No problem. I hope you have assorted
everything you want.
I will soon call you to come and, serve us
Alright. You comfortable, okay?
Alright, thank you.
Okay. I'm so anxious. You told me to come and meet you here. What is it? What's
My
so
love.
important that I can't wait?
What's making you so anxious? Don't you feel relaxed wherever you see me?
Yes, but you sounded so disturbed.
My baby.
Yeah?
Asamalova. Ugeboyi boom. My one and only.
You started though. Why are you flattering me?
I want you to do me a favor.
What is it?
Can you close your eyes? I have something to show you.
Okay, you know I don't like surprises.
Please, just do this for me. Just close your eyes.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Don't worry, I won't hurt you. I want to show you something, a little surprise.
Okay. I'm closing it already.
Alright. Yes, you can open it.
Hey! Say yes. Say yes. Say yes. Say yes. Say yes. I love you. Say yes. Say yes now. Say yes now. Baby, say yes. Give them whatever they want. Yes. Whatever they want. Give the best I will tell you.
I don't know. Chalemo. Well, we are doing fine, are you? I hope you are still coming home for Christmas, as we discussed. Yes? 23rd. It's alright, yes. No, we don't need, we don't have a particular need for a man. Yes. Yes, I'm sure. All we need is to have you home, flesh and blood. Okay? Well, whatever you bring home for us, we don't mind. We don't mind. Yes, yes. Okay, bye. Wait a minute. Your mother is here. Just greet her. Charlie.
Hey, Namo. Your mother is fine. We are just managing. Hope you are fine. Good. Nna, I need money. I need money to buy some things for myself at Onko Market tomorrow. Oh! Agumwamu! Nwa dialo eji aka na bapa. No. Nah, thank you. Dalu nwam. Dalu. Hey. Hey.
Agnes, what did you do that for? Why did you hang up the phone, knowing full well that I had not done talking with my son?
Were you not the one that gave me the phone to speak with my son? I thought you had done talking with him.
Besides, I did not give you the phone so that you shall start enumerating all needs on earth to him, knowing full well that he will be back here with us very soon.
Okay. Is it your money? Is my son complaining? Chelupa, I overheard you telling him that we don't need anything. Why not speak for yourself?
I am the head of the family. I'm speaking for us.
Okono, I need money to buy some jewelries and wrapper for this festive season. I need to stand out now. I saw you wearing on Obodo Yibo. Why you never been?
Jesus Christ of Nazareth, King of the Jews and eventually that of the whole wide world. Agnes, you never cease to discombobulate me.
Oh, also for you back. Why are you jealous because my son is sending me money? Oh, calm down. Oh.
You made me to miss what I was reading. I was very much in the middle of a hypnosis.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. Please, I don't have time for all this. When is the wedding?
Because I cannot wait to slay in my baby dress.
I don't take it easy. He just proposed a few days ago. When the date is fixed, I'll let you guys know. You know.
Okay.
You know. Congratulations, my girl.
Thank you, son.
Sorry, girls.
Just hold on a second. Hello? Are you there now? Okay. I'm coming right now. Yes, I'm coming.
Any problem?
No, I'll have to leave you guys here because I'm rushing somewhere right now. But when I come back, I'll definitely see you guys.
Are you sure?
I'll come and find you girls. Don't worry.
Okay.
I'll see you.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah,
you too.
Alright.
Don't worry. Take this out.
It's our wedding, no.
Now go, baby. My love, how are you?
I'm fine.
Baby, why your face like this?
Money.
Oh, the money. Don't worry. I got you, baby.
Are you looking for me?
Don't mind me. There you go. Count the money, baby. No, doing everything for you. Anything.
Come on, is this the 10,000 naira I asked you for? Why are you giving me 10,000 naira?
Hey, relax. See, I swear to God, this is just the one I have left with me. Just manage this, please. Please.
Mobi, I should manage 10,000 naira from the 30,000 naira I asked you for. And Mobi, I told you that I need to change my body cream. I need to change my face cream, my knuckles cream, my body scrub. And you're giving me 10,000 naira to manage. Wait. Is it that you don't want me to look beautiful for you this Christmas season?
No, babe, don't say that. You don't have to say that. You know I always love you and I want you to be looking beautiful for me.
Stop saying you love me and prove it and show it to me by completing this money.
My love, baby, just relax. At least put a smile on your face. It's because of that money. Don't worry. I promise you tomorrow I'll complete it. Promise. It's a deal.
You promise?
I promise. Oh, don't you trust me again? Have I ever disappointed you? I will complete it tomorrow.
Okay, no problem.
Promise, baby.
I will see you tomorrow then.
Just like that? No hug, no kiss? Come on.
Hug?
Yeah?
Please, when you complete the money, I will give you complete hug and complete kiss. Bye-bye.
Are you sure? You promise me? Wow. Look at that damn self. Baby, I love you. I love you, and if next one I will still love you. That's my friend.
I already have the design already.
And we need a very total cost for fencing and building all this area.
I already have the design already. I'll bring it to you tomorrow.
Oh, you do? Okay. I trust you will give me a fair price.
I will now.
Let's go inside. Let me see more.
Please be careful.
I will. It's okay. Don't go far. By tomorrow, I'll be expecting you. Eh? Okay. I've seen everything. You need to call those people that will clear the whole places. It's okay. I was on my way before I called you. So I have to rush up somewhere now. We see tomorrow as I told you. Okay now. Take good care of yourself.
All this for me? Okay, let me give you so that you just manage it. This one is not manageable. Monica, no. You didn't come for morning mass today. What happened? I just overslept. How did it go? As usual. But they announced emergency meeting of CW executive by 1 p.m. today. 1 p.m. I hope to see you there. Of course I'll be there. Aggie one more. I want to ask you something. When exactly is your son coming back? Monica, why do you ask? I just want to know. In less than a week. Are you happy now? I'm afraid though that your son might decide to marry the father's choice, Zamebere, when he comes back. Not while I'm still alive. That will never happen. I've told you, Rani, that my son, Charlie, must marry your daughter. Don't worry. If you say so, you know I trust and believe in you. You need to trust me more. I do, right? I gave Mama. So no need coming to your house again now. I should be going. Now. Thank you very much. Just manage it. Money, bye-bye. Hey, yeah, we can probably go.
Love is blind. True love is hard to define. I work with love and come for love. Your love, Papa. Don't listen to them. You're my lover. You're in my heart.
Well, have you heard that Idoma is engaged to that her city boyfriend? They are getting married in December.
Yes, that serves them right.
Exactly.
A village girl with a city boyfriend getting married. Oh, it's okay. I don't care. But by the time my international man comes back, our wedding is going to be a bomb.
Wow.
Top of the town.
Wow, I feel so.
We are going to leave the villagers drooling. We are going to leave their jaws dropping. They are going to talk about us. I tell you, my sister. Anyway, check me out. Anyway, go inside under the bed. Go get me under the bed. Go, run along. International. Charlie boy, you boo. Charlie boy, you boo.
Sakia, my soulmate, but we even matter. It's not all about riches, your matter.
Baby. No, I just, watching you eating like this.
Yes? No more bread.
Here! Again? I don't understand this woman. Don't you want to collect your money? What business should they do? I mean, go bring another bottle here.
No veg.
Bring more drinks. Baby, don't worry. Baby. I like the way you're eating like this. Go ahead. Enjoy.
What is it?
Abba. Baby?
Check baby fast now.
I'm coming. You say you too like enjoyment.
Will I say you don't like money? I don't put this drink, this woman.
Open it for her.
I bring up.
Relax. Enjoy.
Woman make me sweat.
Sure, don't worry.
Chekube, I don't know where you go to bring this opener. This one, you don't like money.
No, I can help you. Let me open it for you, baby. Don't worry.
No drink, Amo.
Don't worry.
Oh, yeah, open.
You know you're my baby. Anything for you, baby.
Thank you very much.
This is your baby. You know, baby, I promise to give you some money. There you go, baby.
I come on, I know you bring opener. I beg you, I'm not using teeth as opener.
Oh, sorry.
You know you supposed to be business.
Sorry.
Baby, it's okay, relax.
Amobi, why you they give me 10,000 naira? Nobody 20,000 naira. You said you were gonna give me 20,000 naira today. Why you give me 10,000 naira?
I know. I promised you 20,000 naira. Babe, see, it's not my fault. I'm sorry. It's all yours. It's your fault.
Amobi, wait. How is it my fault?
Baby, can't you see? You ordered this one, you ordered this one. So I just have to reserve the 10k. You know, I know it's supposed to be 20,000, but I have to reserve the 10k so that I will pay, you know, the Kube. So just relax.
Amobi.
Don't worry yourself.
Amobi.
Yes.
You see your life. No. You see your life. Okay, no problem. Make I hold this one while I see first.
Babe, relax.
No problem. Don't worry yourself.
You're always making this
no problem.
Very worse. Okay, you know what? See, let's go to my house. Yeah. Let's go to my house and I'll make it up to you. I promise you.
I don't know. What do you mean, let's go to your house?
I have some money in the house. I'll give it to you. Let's go.
Amobi won't deceive me. Amobi, because of this 10,000 naira that you gave to me and this cheap things you bought for me, you want me to follow you to your house? Oh, you must be joking.
Baby, why would you say that? You know what? Don't worry. Forget all of these things. Let's just go to my house.
Amobi, it's okay. I don't have time for all these things. I'm going to my house.
These are not cheap.
Baby. Get away from my side.
Babe. Baby. Say these are cheap.
You don't come out. You don't chop all these things for your hair. She don't agree for you go your house.
Wow.
Ha. Omo, you be better client too. Since you just use you cash out. Nah. Wow. Wetin concern me? My money I want. You go pay me before you come on here.
Just as we all agreed in our last general meeting to donate PUs for the new church building. We all know how we usually do it. We the Escos to pay first before the general house. So the floor is open for donations now. I will donate the sum of 100,000 naira. Wow.
I will support with the sum of 10,000.
10,000!
And I will support with some of 5,000 naira.
Hi, through Mary our mother, we succeed. My apologies for coming here. My son Charlie will be coming home soon, so I'm making a lot of arrangements for that. That is not enough reason for you to be late. Please pay your fine. Look at the time.
She has apologized. Monica, why are you like this? Why are you like this? You and I know too well that we have rules and regulations guiding this organization. So she must pay her fine.
Yes! That's okay. Is that why you are making noise? Money is not the problem, you know.
Mama, it's okay.
Let me give her balance. You can keep the change.
Because
take your balance,
okay,
Mama.
Please sit down. Mama, it's okay. You can sit. You can sit. Let us continue from where we stopped. Actually, we were making contributions for PUs, just as we agreed in our last meeting. So let's forge ahead.
Has everyone donated?
No.
Okay, I will be the last to make my donation. I will donate the sum of 2,000 250 naira.
Hey!
And I'll donate the sum of 5,000. Like I said earlier, my son Charlie will be home soon. So on behalf of my son and I want to support, we pledge the sum of 200,000 naira.
I will donate the sum of 5,000 naira.
So thank you everyone. Thank you. So now that we are done with the donations, we have to move to the other agenda that we have, which is a visit to the orphanage.
I do go chop officer in that true. Talk to me now, not true.
So you give my friend 10,000, 5,000, but still no fully go your house.
Is that why you stopped me?
If you don't give that 5,000 or 2,000, I will follow you go your house. Even wash plate, cook for you. Wash your clothes, do everything for you. Check me out, I no balance, I no gallant. Look me very well, I no packing. I no package.
Come. What can I simply do with you, sir? Look at you. Please, see, Carol, let today be the first and last you stop me for this kind of rubbish talk. What's wrong with you, sir? Huh? See you. Overload. I beg. Get out.
That's all una day. When I see better things, I no carry, I no grab am. You go follow person, you don't even get head. Mumu no get smooth, single sense no get ahead. No.
I trust her. Eliza always carries herself if she is the richest amongst us. But I like the way you put her down today. Monica. This is just the beginning. When my son Charlie returns, Charlie the Great, I will run to become the president of CWA. I will take it from her. And I, your in-law, will be solidly behind you. I trust you. I will be solidly behind you. You're already behind me. Of course. Let's go. Let's see how she handles it out. That's like I will so deal with her.
Say love is blind. True love is hard to define. I work with love for love. Yellow papa. Don't listen to them.
Yeah, Emeka, what is it?
Can you just talk? I've been standing here for over 5 minutes and you're not seeing anything. Why are you staring at me? That fan book, do I look like your mirror in your house? Please talk.
The mirror of the world, baby. Ebony black, baby. Just take a look at beauty. See, Ugabon. It will be too bad killing my feelings. Why dying in silence, baby? I can no longer hide my feelings anymore. I can't hide it.
Yeah, Emeka, what are you talking about? I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Are you asking me what am I talking about? See, Ugebe, have you forgotten who I am? I am a Mekus, the professional Otunko Keke driver that can ride from this village to New York City, baby. Ugebe, I am in love with you. I love you so much, baby. I can't even set my eyes off from you.
Emeka. Aha! So, this is the reason you've been all nice to us.
You should have known better by now.
You should have also known better by now that Charlie Boy is coming back to this village to pay my bride price, and of which Charlie Boy's mother, the father, has given their consent. So you should know better.
Wait, see, this thing might sound somehow, but see, I am damn seriously in love with you, baby.
You're talking rubbish. See, don't even come close to me, oh. Once Charlie Boy comes back to this village, I don't want to see you close to me, because I don't even want him to start thinking that there is something going on between us, of which there is nothing. So stay miles away from me. Stay away from me. I've warned you. Stay away from me.
How sure are you that Charlie Parker, the person that will marry you over Zama? How sure are you?
My Charlie Boy will marry me. Also, Chiemu, listen, don't you ever in your life stop me to talk this rubbish to me again. Rubbish. Enough. Take a good look at you. I should come and settle for a keke driver like you, a Mecca keke driver. You have a Lexus, black Lexus, Charlie Boy. Then or didn't make a keke driver. As what?
Okay, how are you sure that Charlie Parker, the person that will marry you over?
He will marry me. My Charlie Boy will marry me. Rubbish.
How are you sure Charlie Parker will not marry you? Charlie Parker, the person that won't marry you. How do you? I am crazily in love with you. Mekus, the professional Otumpo driver that can ride from this village to New York City, baby. I am madly in love with you, the mirror of the world, baby. I say I am madly in love with you, baby. No. See, Charlie Parker, the president that will not marry you. I am in love with you, Mekus, the professional Otumpo driver that can ride from this village to New York City. Is in love with you, baby.
You just have to manage yourself. I just wish I can just appear.
Oh, wow, we're almost close to what we're going to say. So much too much.
Adugo, what's the meaning of this? What is it? Why did you suddenly change the step? Okay. Are you saying that you did not see this car, this machine, this one that just passed here now? Yeah, and so I saw the car. Is it why you changed your steps? Okay. Okay, don't you know that you need to package yourself? Because you don't know that car. I am very sure it's one of all these abroad guys that just returned back. Yes, so you have to package yourself and station yourself for them to see you. Hey, okay, I don't understand. You need to do what? You need to position yourself. My friend, Adugo, you don't need to do all of this to get attention from any man. Do you think that, so after you package yourself, this man or wherever you're looking for attention will not give you the attention you're looking for? My dear, I don't think it's good. Okay. Okay, have you not noticed that amongst all the ladies in this village, I am the one with the most admirer? Do you know why? Why? It's because of the way I package myself, the way I dress, my makeup, my hair, everything on point. But you know what? You won't understand because you've not been to the campus. Hey, Adugo, campus girl. Campus girl. My darling, I don't think you need to do all of this to get any attention from any man. Yes, so. But anyway, as the one has passed, my friend, Ngwabiko, walk normal. The step we came with. Walk normal. I'll change it, Biko. Change it. Okay. I'll change it. Let us go. I don't go. Say the way we're shaking your bum bum. Let me walk like this now. Do your bum bum. Hey,
I'm teaching you things you will learn, so you'll be getting men.
Okay, now show me the original step and the fake step, so I will know. So this one is the original.
This is the fake.
Where's the original?
The original. Shabra. Hey! Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
You can call up Charlie, Charlie Charlie get in for a guess. If you not get Charlie, you not couple of myself. Charlie was a banana for our village.
At least I'm doing. Super, we know the come screen.
Hey!
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Mama. So who's this fine girl?
My wife.
Mama, calm down. Calm down. What do you mean, my wife?
Is she not beautiful?
Of course, yes, she's beautiful, but I just go back, Mama. Calm down, please.
Nah, she's not only beautiful. She's hardworking and a very good cook. She will make a good wife.
For real?
Yes.
Well, I'll have to find out that myself. Yeah. Meanwhile, where's Pops?
He went for council meeting at the palace.
Ah, we still have that.
Yes. Jolipo, is this your car?
Oh, that's one of my toys, you know.
Oh, sick!
I've got a lot of toys like this.
Oh, sick!
That's really my car. Yeah, one of my toys. I got a lot of them, you know what I'm saying? The boy's back, man.
Go inside.
They get money from that.
The money can don't say something. Let's go inside it.
I said Charlie don't build. Charlie don't make money. I said Charlie don't make ego. If you see the kind of motor when I see Charlie enter this big more, that cafe reach 10 to 15 million naira.
Insta blog. Wait, you don't work for car company? 15 million, see your man like 15 million.
One day, forget that matter. I said Charlie don't arrive.
I don't know the price of the car.
Which of the Charlie cell phone are they talk about?
So you just come.
See. This is exactly the question I wanted to ask both of you now. See, my brother. Which Charlie are you talking about? Is it Charlie Parker that I know that you are talking about, or what? Which Charlie are you talking about? Can you clarify me, baby?
You don't know Charlie Boy again? Mazio Konu's son. Charlie Boy.
Are you serious?
You are from this village now.
See, my guy.
You know, I really never heard this.
My guy, wait. See, my guy, I'm a little bit confused here, baby. You said Mazo Kono's son.
Damn, Charlie Boy.
Yeah? See, Charlie Parker, the pace setter. Charlie Parker, the pace setter. You mean Charlie Parker is in town? Me, Mekus, the professional Otunwo keke driver that can ride from this village to New York City. Baby, I am not aware that Charlie Parker is here. Are you serious?
Mekus, so now you never even know the latest update. Charlie Parker, Mazio Konu's son, Charlie Parker, the one you know. Charlie Boy, you don't know Charlie Boy from this village? He's around now. Yeah. So if I've not seen him.
See, Charlie Parker came back to this town without informing me. Mekus, the professional Otunwo keke driver that can ride from this village to New York City, baby. So Charlie is in town with a muzzle. You mean that his car can reach like 10 to 15 million or what? I tell you. In fact, you don't see. Charlie is my childhood friend. Charlie, wait, welcome. How come? In fact, come. In fact, do you know what? How many bottles have you taken here? In fact, we need give us 1 crate of beer.
Mekus!
Hey!
Mekus!
Claro for me.
Are you sure that Charlie is in town?
I said Charlie.
I'm sure in fact, but I want to get yourself. Come. Mekus has spoken. See.
I know they joke with my money, oh.
Forget about your balance. I will pay you double. See, pursue yourself. See, wait, my girl, are you serious on what you are telling me?
I see Charlie don't arrive. You know some of the cap for
Mekus, I don't do that. And after I thought that they go, I put if I come up outside, I'll come out there. I don't come and ask the branch. I see you are taking. Now this man you come to tomorrow. In fact, yeah, I will drink like five bottles. Hey! Some bottles on my head.
Mekus.
Check some bottles on my head, baby.
You're that woman now.
She did it now.
Wow. My mother meal was wonderful, man. So delicious.
Mm.
Yeah.
She made it specially for you.
For real?
Yes. What do you think about her?
She's beautiful. If you ask me.
She's not only beautiful. Make her speak your own grammar. She's not only beautiful. She's a hard-working girl and a very good cook.
It's right, Mama. Oh, we'll see about that.
There's nothing to see. I've already groomed her for you. I've
heard you. Okay? I've heard you.
Let's start making arrangements as soon as possible.
Mama, calm down now. I'll just go back. Let me take my time, get to know her properly, and then we'll take it up from there. As simple as ABC. Yes, that's what's up. Cool? Yeah, that's what's up, Mama.
Oh,
that's what's up, man. I'll start doing big things in this village, man. I'm thinking of where to build my factory and build my company. Hey. Shit. I have a lot to do, man. I'm just thinking of them, and you're still telling me about marriage. Mama, calm down.
You will build and you will still marry. Eh?
It's all right.
I need grandchildren. From you.
Where can I even park my car? Because there's no security here. I forgot to kill my security man. Don't worry, we'll get to catch up later, okay? Yeah.
Thank you so much for the gift.
Oh, come on. It's nothing. Oh, wow, this cock making noise now. You know, you're dealing with Charlie Champagne. Sweet boy, we know the cause pain. If you try me, you no go complain. Because you go to chill like a low maintain. Sip champagne. Champagne. Gee. I got you, girl.
You mean this is your car?
Are you still asking me this question? This is one of my cars, man. I got a lot of cars, you know what I'm saying? A lot of machines. Don't worry.
Can I kiss you? Bye bye.
Take care, baby.
Okay. My Charlie boy.
Yeah, Charlie boy.
Charlie boy.
Charlie Champagne, baby. It's Charlie Champagne, baby. Charlie Champagne, baby.
Hey, Mama. This is the jam result we requested you to bring for you.
Ogechi.
Mama.
You did wonderfully well.
Thank you.
280 is a very good grade.
Thank you, Mama.
When will admission start?
I'm at this month, but I'm not sure I will make it this month. My mother doesn't have the money for me to register this month, so I will go. I'm thinking of starting next year.
I see. Don't worry. Tell your mother, I will take care of it.
Mama, you will take care of it.
I will. Just let me know when the registration starts, okay?
Hey! Mama, thank you! Mama, thank you very much.
It's okay, my
Thank
daughter.
you, Mama.
It's okay.
Yeah,
It's okay. You know I taught you in your secondary school. And I know how brilliant you were. I cannot just sit and watch this young talent waste like that now.
Mama. Mama.
Come here.
Amen.
Amen, my daughter. Amen.
I will go to school.
You will. Papa, now that you have come back, I think the best thing to do is to get married so as to give your mother and I grandchildren.
Papa, I just came back now. Give me some time to settle in. At least find a decent girl and then start talking about marriage.
You're not going to go far in your search because I have done the greater part of the work by preparing for you a mobile girl according to your taste. I know your taste now.
Oh, the mobile girl. Oh yeah, I saw her when I came in earlier.
No, that's not the one you saw when you came. The one you saw is Ugebe.
Yes.
The one I'm talking about is Zamekbere by name. God has answered your prayer. Zamekbere, answer my prayer.
Zamekbere. Our own Zamekbere.
Listen to me, Charlie. I made my friend Odochi a promise that you will marry her. And Zamekbere has lived with us for more than 15 years now. And in fact, she is like our daughter. You can see by now my hands are tied. There's nothing I can do other than to make her a legal member of the family by making you marry her. So think about it.
No, Papa. I'm not going to marry her. She's like a sister to me now. What are we saying?
I know what you're thinking about. You are afraid of incest. But let me tell you, our relationship with Zamekbere is not a consanguineous one. That means it's not a blood relationship. So, you think about that. Charlie?
Papa?
Why are you quiet? Are we done talking?
No, Papa, I've heard you. Just give me some time to think about this. Alright?
That's alright. Just be fast about that because time waits for nobody.
I know. No problem.
I don't know if I should laugh or I should cry. I'm tired.
What is it? Which one is you tired?
Finish this thing, you know. I want this thing that be. I'm tired though.
Walk.
Hey. I knew you guys are going to be here. I brought good news. Guess what?
Chinese, guess what? You have come with this your guessing game again. Please just spill it
Okay. Mazi Ukano's son, Charlie, is back.
How did you know that he's back?
Ugebe told me. I met her on my way and she was just bragging about how she's going to get married to him, how she's going to travel abroad with him.
But how is she so sure that he's going to choose her over Zamekbere?
My sister, exactly what I asked her. She said she kept on bragging on how her mother and Agnes are best of friends. I asked her the same thing.
Anyway, he should get married to whomever he wants to get married to. As far as I'm concerned, I'm the only lady girl that is engaged to the love of her life.
Wait, what are you talking about? What are you saying? You're talking about rich men, like abroad guys, and you're talking about that your local Onitsha boy or whatever. Madam, please. I'm going where you're going. Excuse me. We're talking about rich men. I'm talking about Onitsha.
Where are you going? I'm not going to.
Let's go.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Bye. You have spoiled the work for the day. Bye-bye. Stay there. What people you had to? Oh, guys. Beg. Now, see? You are jealous of me because I'm engaged to the love of my life.
Thank you for the gift you got for me. I really appreciate it.
Well, I'm glad you like it.
I do.
Yes, I'm sure my father told you about my intentions.
Yes, he did. And I'm so happy for that.
It's alright. At least we get to know each other little by little.
Okay.
I'm going somewhere now. Maybe when I come back we'll get to see.
It's okay. Alright. Bye.
Bye.
Take care. Alright, let me get to the house. Okay.
Take care.
I am so happy. He loves me so much. Bye! I am so happy!
Me, baby. Baby, come on. See, baby, let me tell you something. Things are hard with me. I mean, getting money these days is very hard. I mean, I just gave you 20,000 naira some couple weeks ago. What is 10,000 naira that I won't give it to you?
Oh, yeah, give it to me now. Give me the 10,000 naira.
Baby, relax. Chill out. I will give it to you. I don't just have it today.
So why did you call me out?
Because I want you and I to go to my house and have some fun.
Oh.
Please.
Oh.
Let me just have some fun with you.
Chai, Amobi.
Yes?
Amobi, you want to have some fun with me. But you cannot afford it.
What do you mean by that?
Amobi, you cannot afford it.
Baby, wait. All this money I've been giving to you is big enough for we to have some fun together. Think about it, baby.
Well, Amobi, I don't have time for this argument. Yes. Can you take me to the house? Come on, baby.
We don't tell me.
You can call up Charlie Buddha, Charlie Cash, Charlie Cash, baby. You say you came from overseas, what's your baby?
I don't go.
If you not get Charlie, in a couple of months, Charlie was a panoko. For our village, all I want is you. They want to Charlie. Forget your talkies, not smoke is so much. Charlie, they're gonna walk. But I'm afraid. Forget your talkies, not smoke is so. They say love is blind. True love is hard to define. I work with love from love for love. Your love, papa. Don't listen to them. You're my lover.
She's not at home. I'm the only one at home. Hey, can't you hear me? She's not at home.
You're my lover. You're my lover.
Hey, see. It's hard time you stopped coming to this house. Because he has proposed to me and I said yes. So we are getting married soon. Stop coming to this house.
Why are you such a fool? You know, sometimes I wonder why you derive so much pleasure in making useless jokes. Keep dreaming, my dear.
You shall see. Nonsense. No, come and break the door. Is marriage by force? Look at the way she's even catwalking. You think you're beautiful? I'm even more beautiful than you.
It is so easy to fall in love, but it is harder to find someone that will catch your heart. My soulmate, but we
Yeah,
Emeka, what is it? What is it?
Hi! The mirror of the world, baby. My black ebony, baby. Ugabam, where are you going to?
Emeka, as you can see, I am not smiling. I am not in a good mood. So better leave me alone this hot afternoon. What is your problem?
Wait, you said you are not in a good mood. What is making you not to be in a good mood? You tell me, let me go and deal with
you. Are the one. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. What is it?
Ugabam, the mirror of the world, baby. Hi. Who's making? Who made her angry? Huh? Who is pissing my Ugabwe up? Let me go and deal with the person. Who is that person? Let me, Mekus, the professional auto keke driver that can ride from this village to New York City, baby. Let me go and deal with the person. When you have that Ugabwe, can you hear you? Ugabam? Hi, na can Ugabwe Njafuzo. Njafuzo. Ugabwe, first I'm coming to your house.
Baby, you're so sweet and hot.
Thank you so much. And thank you for the money.
Just use it to change your wardrobe. Alright?
Can I have your number?
Give me yours. Let me call you this up. Okay? At the appropriate time, I will call you.
Okay.
Alright, 090
360
55
418.
Just like 419.
Okay, I hope to see you later soon.
Of course, very soon.
Okay.
I'll call you, yeah?
Thank you. But call me now. Call me.
Yes, sir. You will do.
Bye.
I'll call you.
Oh, my love. Calm down.
I'm coming.
Let's go to your house. I want to go to your house.
You want to go to my house?
Yes, of course. You know you've been asking
For real?
me. Yes.
The last time I checked, you rejected my house.
Forget the last time. I'm ready now.
Relax. You know what? Right now, my house is busy. Just like I'm busy. I'm heading somewhere.
I want to be pleased now. I'm on the please.
I'm busy.
Please, I'm on the please. My love, go. I'm on the please. Baby, please now. I'm on my love. I'm on the I'm on the
Charlie Champagne, baby. Charlie Parker, the best setter, baby. Charlie, Indigo can walk Can I see money is all over you? Take a look at your body, blem. They can expect it, blem. They can walk it, Charlie, they can your wrist. Take a look at your wrist, baby.
It can only be God.
I know.
What God cannot do does not exist.
It can never exist, baby. Charlie Parker. They can make it. Charlie, take a look at me. They can make us the professional auto keke driver that can ride from this village to New York City, baby. They can take a look at me. I'm on Nanleka. Make us Nanleka. Charlie Parker. Charlie Parker, the pace setter, baby. Charlie, like I told you earlier, that Charlie, I need connection. Charlie, you need to connect me, link me up now. Charlie, link me up into any business, be it business, importation or anything, whatever. You know that Marcus is capable of doing anything. Link me up, Charlie. I just want to travel out of this country. I want work from here, your boutique.
Marcus, you know right now Charlie Champagne is an international musician.
Charlie?
Yes.
Charlie, you are now a professional musician. Do you sing?
Bro, you know I just got a new record deal with Marvin Shepard. Don Jazzy.
Charlie, you mean you are into the record label now?
I'm an international musician. Don't you have a radio? You don't have a TV in your house? You must have been hearing Charlie Champagne. Sweet boy, when they cause pain.
Charlie Champagne!
To play again! Call that name again!
Charlie Champagne! Again, the boss brand, when they give us pain. Charlie be the main man. If you chill with Charlie, you know go get pain. Charlie,
that's the track.
Charlie, you go go.
So you've been popping champagne in the club,
yes, now.
Charlie, to be half, in fact, is the one of the year. Charlie Parker, the pessetter, is the one of the year, baby.
Charlie, they bust my brain.
Don't worry, my guys.
Look at Bling Bling's Olu maintain package. Oh, Charlie Coco. Charlie is the best.
In fact, he's the best forever and ever, baby.
This guy has CNN in his house. I'm on CNN 24/7, bro.
Confirm.
Hot shit,
baby.
Hot shit, baby.
Charlie, drop her for us. Make her give you nothing.
Hold on. Boy girl, come.
Be very fast now.
I'm coming.
Please serve them whatever they want.
Oh, Charlie Champagne.
I will need extra one hero. Give me extra one bottle of hero.
Okay.
Me too. Double up.
I beg.
Oh.
You don't go start no, madam. I'm hungry. No distress me. Okay, don't be follow men, Abi.
Charlie, that's in the fact. Charlie Champagne, where the boss brain?
Where's my own hero now? Go fast and get my own. Don't waste my time. Now you are blessed. Like, can I take it? No, okay. Everybody should take a look at Charlie. Take a look at Charlie Parker, the pessetter, bang. Charlie Champagne, bang.
Charlie Champagne. Charlie the boss brain.
Charlie Parker, the pessetter. May God continue to bless you with money. More money in your bank account, baby.
If you deal with Charlie, no go complain at all. Charlie is bossing the brain of all.
You are the man of the year. Bam. Charlie Parker is the man of the year, baby. Charlie Champagne is the man of the year, baby.
Calm down. My guys, calm down.
Bad girl.
Yes.
Come. How much is a carton of this drink?
Okay, 5,000 naira.
5,000. It's alright.
Charlie Champagne. Charlie, where they boss brain. If you deal with Charlie, my brother, you no go complain. Charlie, you dey ball like Olu maintain. Charlie, you be Odogu. Charlie, now you know the cocoa. Charlie, we don't know you the learn work. Charlie, see for this time, now you the number one. See this bling. Full package. One
this is 30,000. Give them whatever they want. Anything they want to use.
Odogu.
Charlie Champagne, baby. Charlie Champagne, baby. Odogu. Charlie Parker, the pessetter, baby.
I want to go to my side. I'll see you guys when I come back.
Charlie Parker, in fact, you don't Charlie Champagne. I'm coming straight to your house in around 8 o'clock. You just catch me in your house.
No. I don't sleep in that house now. Why would I sleep there? I sleep in the 5-star hotel in town, man.
Then catch me there in the evening. My there in the evening.
Hey, give me that bit. Charlie Champagne.
Hey,
sweet boy, we know they cause pain.
Oh,
if you deal with me, you no go complain.
Hey,
they like to ball like
plantain.
Plantain.
Hey.
Come chop plantain. I get a very big plantain. Plantain.
Charlie Champagne. Charlie Parker's brain. Why don't they give us pain?
Charlie,
You be Odogu. See, you don't even know Charlie Packer. Charlie Packer is my very childhood friend.
Are you serious?
So 1 crate of beer.
This one.
Stop
shouting my name.
Sit down.
Where them they see to chop another man money.
Wait. See, cannot kill me. See, enough is enough. Chalo, see.
Now they beat me.
This is real business. Time for business. Cash out straight up. Listen. How much did Charlie give you? 30,000 naira just for 1 crate of beer. He said 5,000 naira, right? 5,000, remaining 25k. See, Chokura, I will drink the one that I will drink. I cannot finish 1 crate of beer. Breweries. So after drinking today now, if I finish the one I will drink now, you will check and balance. Then you will balance me the remaining money. I think I will still have like 7,000 to 8,000 naira balance.
They crazy. Something they worry you for head. It be like say they crazy. Have you forgotten you're still owing me 2,500 naira?
Chokwe, listen. Even if I'm owing you 2,500 naira, I still get enough dough in my bank account because you are now our bank account. I still have like, you can collect your 2,500, then I will still have like 4,500. You will give me 4,500.
Chokwe, see my own be saying, relax, calm down, just relax. No, as you don't get that cash now, you're very big guru. My nurse this one bottle.
Talk now.
You see that issue? My nurse it. Bring me the balance. Or see, so just na.
You know what? We don't share no money for you. We go drink and eat this for you until the money finish.
For what?
Are you hear me?
Caro, for what?
Yeah, you hear not here.
See, Caro, let me tell you, it can never happen, baby. Caro, let me tell you, this thing you are saying like can never happen. See, Caro, let me ask you. So, Caro, why are you always involving yourself in men's matter? When men they yarn, Caro kilomiti, Caro hueleti. When men they yarn, you just involve yourself anyhow for men matter. See, Caro, men need money more than women. So, I will counterbalance and collect my own money. Can you believe men do I?
This one, can't you tell as a man, Abi? Empty vessel. Mumu.
Caro,
we don't share that to you.
For what?
Give me that money. Give me that money.
For what?
Give me that money.
Wait. Caro, money empty vessel. No, see. For what? Did you call Mekus the professional Otumpo keke driver that can ride from this village to New York City, baby? Did you call me a fool, Caro?
Caro, for what now? Why would you be behaving like this now? You don't see money now, your body on the expand.
See, Caro, it's not for one thing, Make the bottle now. If you see, make the bottle now. Caro.
Abio, don't forget to do the other day, Abio. Don't forget. You don't forget to do the other day.
Forget that day. That day is not today. You see, can you listen to your mama now? Make the bottle now. See, Chokwe, you go and get my own money and give to Caro. Go and come here. See, now you cause this thing, Caro. See, let me ask my money and give me money.
Don't that money, don't try me yet.
My love.
What are we doing here?
What are we doing here? We're here so that we get to know each other better. So we'll bond.
So you mean we can't do that anywhere else? Must it be a hotel?
A hotel? This place is not just a hotel. This is where I've been sleeping since I came back to Nigeria. Apart from the hotel that was Sheraton, I was in Abuja when I landed Abuja before coming down to this village. So don't stop stressing yourself like this. You know, I'm starting my building project very soon. And for the sake of security, I have to be in a place like this where they have security outside. Before these children will kidnap me, I came back with too much money. I don't want to talk too much. Okay? Babe, I don't like the way you're behaving. You know we're getting married soon. Why are you behaving like a stranger?
Are we not saying the same thing? Why not wait until we get married? I mean, why the rush? Or is this all you want from me?
No. How can it be all I want from you? Babe, I want all of you. Everything about you. But you know it is good for couples to, couple. That's why it's couples. You couple together. You bond. You don't have boundaries. You do things together. You eat together. You drink together. You bathe together. Sleep on the bed together. And, have you know what I mean?
Charlie, I think it's best I take my leave.
Mommy, no. Don't worry. I don't want again. I don't want anything that will break me and you. I love you so much. I'm not in the mood. I don't want anything. I'll do anything you want. Oh? You want us to sit here or you want us to go and sit outside?
Let's sit outside.
Hey.
I can't imagine over there. Maybe she's just doing all that to show off her pension money. But that would be a very bad thing to do. But on second thought, what if the son sends her all the money she has been spending around? Which son? Her son now, that one. Nobody knows his whereabouts for years. Probably he's dead or wallowing in poverty somewhere in Lagos. Don't worry. Now that my son is back, I will tell him to do the same. In a big way. Mighty way. It will be announced all over the village. That will be very good. Hey, wonder! Like this. Yes, ma'am. And I also came to thank you for all he brought for us.
Thank you so much.
That is just the beginning. You and your daughter are in for premium treatment for life. Thank you so much. You're welcome. So, when are we fixing the marriage? My son said they need some time to know themselves. Maybe before Easter. Oh no, before Easter they will be married. Okay. That is good. Makane manasi. You don't have problem. He's already has. Don't worry. Who know that I'm gonna happy the button. That's why you are my good friend now. So I don't have to disturb myself. You don't have any problem. My in-law. You're my in-law already. And you
They say love is blind. True love is hard to define.
Hey, Zamzam. Hey, where have you been now?
Hey, I've been around. I'm just preparing for my marriage.
Your marriage?
Wait, are you the only one in this village that doesn't know that Charlie and I are getting married soon?
Charlie? Wait, I don't understand. Charlie that proposed to Gobe. Okay, he wants to marry the two of you because I don't understand.
My dear, forget whatever lie Ogegbe told you. I am getting married to my Charlie and that is final. See, I am rushing somewhere. I'll see you guys later. Oh? Okay. Don't worry.
I'll see you guys later.
Okay. Hey, wonder shall never end. Hey, let me tell you, that girl, she's lying. Ogegbe told me Charlie proposed to her.
Why is she lying now? Don't mind that she's lying.
Forget about all this single. Let's go. They will sort themselves out.
Let's go.
Let's go.
But this girl can lie. Because Ugowe told me with her mouth that what if she's saying the truth? I don't believe her.
Are you sure?
I don't believe her at all. You don't believe that.
It is so easy to fall in love, but it is harder to find someone that will catch your heart.
Chika, Chinwe. Hey.
Go away.
Where are you guys headed?
We are going to somewhere.
Oh, okay. Meet my fiance.
Good afternoon. Call me Charlie Champagne. Sweet boy, we know they give pain, you know. How you guys doing now?
Anyway, we are just going home. He wants to drop me. You know, the sun is too hot. Usually I walk with my umbrella, but he just said, baby, keep your umbrella, let me drop you off. You know, he doesn't want me to trek under this hot sun. Huh?
Yeah.
You're trekking? Okay, oh yeah, trek well. Baby, wind up.
Take care, girls, huh? Bye.
You're my lover, you're in my heart, your love, pick up what I said, I love you, pick up what I said, love you.
He's believing. Did you hear that? Baby, honey, fiance. That Zamek Mirike has been lying to us. I told you that girl is lying. That Zamek can lie. Let's leave that girl, Jerry. See, these people, they look cute together. God, I can't wait to have my own man. Me too. I don't understand. Is everything I want, you want? You too. Everything I want, you want.
What is bad if I want what you want? Is it not good thing you want? Is it not the same thing I want?
Calm down. You reach for your, I don't know, I don't like it. So let me reach your, say your own prayer. Let me say my own prayer.
So if the thing work for the two of us now, I don't know if it's going to be sweet. How can you be wishing for good something? I don't wish for your friend.
Let's be going because not too much.
Because of love I have for you. You're my lover. You're in my heart, your love. Pick up what I said, if it not be you, no one else. Pick up what I said, love.
So finally, we're here.
Yes.
Huh? It's alright, don't worry.
When do I get to see you again?
I will come and see you tomorrow, I promise. Meanwhile, here, from my heart, as Charlie Champagne.
My Charlie boy.
Sweet boy, we don't give pain.
Hey, Charlie boy. Thank you so much. Bye.
Not even a hug. At least give me a hug now. Or maybe a kiss. Yeah. It's alright. Take care. Bye.
Are you sure you are with your senses? Charlie Fiber, below your temper, this village is for me and you. Charlie, take it easy, go fella, so Charlie Cash, Charlie.
Girl, how are you?
I'm fine.
May you're gorgeous. Call me Charlie Champagne. Sweet boy, we know they give pain. I dey like chill like Olu maintain. So what do I call you?
Call me Ogechi.
Ogechi. Your name is as beautiful as you are. Very sweet name.
Thank you.
So where are you headed?
Home. Is there any problem?
No problem. I just want to drop you off. I would like to drop you off.
I'm already close to the house. Don't bother. Fine.
Hey, come on now. I don't bite. I just want to ease the stress for you now. So you don't walk under the sun like this. You're too fine to walk under the sun. Oh?
And I said, I am fine.
I insist.
I insist too. Excuse me.
She get them.
Are you sure you are with your senses? Charlie Fiber,
It's alright.
This village is for me and you. Take it easy. Go fella la so look it. Charlie cash. Charlie Oliego. Charlie enter village with the cash. He say he came from overseas. Charlie cash.
My son, it's about the church project. I pledged 200,000 naira on your behalf. I made some donation to the church. I am an executive member of the CWO and I intend to become their president, which is why I want you to see this opportunity of this festive period to share some bags of rice, beans, groundnut oil and other food items to the women of our child. I want them to know that my son is a millionaire in dollars. It is not all over. I just want us to start from there. What about the money? Are you sending it? I need it today. What about the, like I said now, we need to share some food items to Achala women. I need some money to start making preparation for that. Okay.
You can call him Charlie Buga, Charlie Cash, Charlie Oliego, Charlie enter village with the cash. He say he came from overseas. Also, Charlie Cash, Charlie Oliego, Charlie Deren for our guest.
Hey, fine girl. What's up? How are you?
I'm fine.
Why is a fine girl like you walking under the sun like this now? It's too hot. And it's not good for your skin. Why don't you just hop into the car so I drop you off wherever you're going to?
No, thank you.
Hey, fine girl now. Come on. I don't bite. Alright, I get it, okay? I didn't introduce myself, alright? Well, they call me Charlie Champagne. Sweet boy, we know they give pain. Try me, you no go complain. Because I like to chill like Olu maintain. Hey, we go chop like. Don't mind me, girl. I just came back from the States and I'm an upcoming musician under Marvin's record. Yeah,
Really?
that's Don Jazz.
Yeah.
He signed me. He asked me to come back. So I don't want to waste too much time. Because if I waste too much time, I would become a big superstar and I won't be able to get a wife.
Really?
Yes, that's why immediately I saw you, I thought to myself, wow, this girl will make a good housewife. Why don't you just approach her and talk things over with her? Don't mind me, man. I'm so sorry. I didn't get your name.
My name is Ijoma.
Ha! Ijoma, fine girl. Ijoma, you see, I like you so much. I like you already. Yeah, and you're already smiling.
You got me.
So why don't you just come into the castle? Let's go somewhere chill for a while, get to know each other better, Charlie Champagne.
So, is this where you stay?
Oh yes, due to some security reasons and also considering the fact that I'm still building my edifice, my 5-star mansion, yes. And of course now, when you come from abroad, you don't want the heat. You need somewhere that they have constant light. So I had to come to a hotel and lodge, for the light and also the AC. Eh?
I understand.
Yes, you have to understand. So, what do I offer you?
Okay. I'll take malt or Smirnoff Ice.
Malt. Smirnoff Ice. How? 1 year with Charlie Champagne. Eh? 1 year with me, you're supposed to be having champagne. I do champagne for a living. I take champagne for water. Eh? You're supposed to have champagne. Champagne is good for your body. You're a woman. To make you soft and flexible. That's what you need. Okay? I'll get you champagne. Alright? Okay. Meanwhile, I know you're surprised I brought you here. But I would like to let you know that you are the only woman that's ever entered this room.
Really?
Yes! Since I came back, I've not brought any woman to this room. It's not like I've not seen women. I've seen lots of women, but I don't like them. But the truth is, immediately I saw you, you captivated my soul. You drew me closer. I mean, the spirit, the connection was too much. I couldn't resist you. You get? From that moment, I knew that you are my future wife. Alright? So I don't want to waste any time. I don't want to waste no time. I want to go straight to the point. I want us to plan our wedding immediately, before I leave. So that by the time I travel back, at least before Easter, your paper will be ready and then you come and join me there.
Really?
Yes, really.
So you mean I'll travel with you to abroad?
Why would I get my wife abroad? No, now I'll bring you over abroad now. Charlie Champagne. Huh? When you deal with me, you will imitate. No pain, chop plantain. So, the thing is, once everything is settled, you're my wife now. What do you mean? I'll always be my wife abroad. Eh? Once you just agree now, we'll just enjoy ourselves. Start from there. It's not an issue. It's not an issue. Don't be shy. This is Charlie Champagne. Feel free, enjoy yourself. There's too much money to enjoy. Let me get the champagne for you, eh?
I'm waiting.
Alright. Maybe you just take your shower inside and be ready.
You don't see what you do yourself, Charlie.
Chekube, you mean you haven't seen Ijeoma here today?
No, I've not seen her. Is there a problem?
I don't know, I asked her to meet me up here.
Why don't you try her number? I've not seen her here today.
I've been dialing her line, that's not been reachable since.
Really?
I don't know.
Okay, then go to her house now and check up on her. I've not seen her today.
You have a point there. Let me just rush over to her house. How much is that your money again? Okay, you can have it. Let me quickly rush and see her. I will still come back later. Okay. Alright.
Bye-bye. What have I done? Wake up! Wake up! What did you do to me?
What do you mean, what did I do to you? Eh? I should be the one asking you that question. Don't you know you're almost killed me? By doing this thing and you're shouting harder, harder, harder. Eh? When I was so tired, you were still shouting harder. For how many hours? Oh, wow.
I can't believe I did that.
My dear, you should believe it though. I think it's the drink. If I had known, I wouldn't have given you that drink. I don't know if the thing now turned into an animal. Just, you almost killed me. But it's alright.
In fact, come and drop me. I want to go home.
Drop you where?
Come and drop me home. I want to.
By this time of the night?
Yes.
What if those small boys out there kidnap me? What would you say? Huh? Please. I did not come back for my escort. If I came with them, it would have been better. Eh? I would go out anytime I want. Please, not now. Eh? Tomorrow morning I'll drop you off. I promise.
Oh, go.
Just lie down. Tomorrow morning I'll drop you off. Oh, don't worry.
You can call up Charlie Buddha, Charlie Cash, Charlie Oliego, Charlie Enter Village, with Cash, Bebe Buddha. You say you came from overseas, what's your Buddha? Charlie Cash, Charlie Oliego, Charlie Enter Village, with Cash, Bebe Buddha. Charlie, they rent for our guests. Hey, if you not get Charlie, in a couple of months, Charlie was a panaco. For our village, all our guests, they want to challenge.
Oh, wait. So you came all the way to gossip my man to me? Eh, Chika?
Hey, let me tell you, this is not a gossip. You are my friend and I'm telling you what I saw.
What did you see? What did you see? The Ijoma you're talking about, is it not the one that I heard she just got engaged? So tell me, what makes you think that my Charlie boy will consent so low to be with a married woman to be?
See, let me tell you, see, it's left for you to believe anything you want to believe. I've told you what I saw. So if you want to believe anything, fine.
Please. What you said is a lie. I'm not in for your cheap gossip. Please go to your house.
I've told you my own.
You did not tell me anything. Please go to your house.
I should go to my house?
Yes. I'm not in for your cheap gossip. I'm sending, go to your house.
No, I mean, I've told you my own. Anything you want to believe.
Yes, go to your house. I'm not in for your cheap gossip. If you don't have anything to do, go and work for your mother. Go to farm. Don't come here and talk rubbish. Talk what you don't know. So cheer, rubbish. Don't come to this house again, no.
Chioma, how dare you look me in the face and lie to me? You know you didn't sleep at home last night. So why are you telling me lies?
Ikem, believe whatever you like. I don't care. Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes! And if you don't have anything important to say, I'm going inside.
How can you talk to me in that manner? Have you lost it? You want to walk out from me and I'm not done talking to you?
Ikem, how dare you slap me? How dare you raise your 50 hands on me because of the cheap ring you gave to me? Huh? Your mates are engaging their women with diamond ring. You are giving me rubbish. Taking their women abroad. Look at what you are giving me. You are slapping me. Ikem.
I'm dumb. I don't blame you. I blame myself for accepting this rubbish. Take. I'm done with you. Leave. It's over. Leave me alone. I'm done. Don't come here again.
Alright, I'm sorry. I will never touch you again. Please, please. Shit. Shouldn't have slept.
Everything went very, very well. They were all happy. Just as you requested that I should not let them know you're the one that sent the item. In short, my son, God will continue to bless you and bless you. You know what? The work will commence tomorrow. And I promise I'll be going there to inspect the jobs. My son, please don't always forget to pray your rosary daily. Please. I will keep praying for you here, okay? I really missed you. You miss me too. Okay, no problem now. Bye. Hey, it's my son. God will continue to bless you in all your endeavors.
It is so easy to fall in love, but it is harder to find someone that will catch your heart to you.
Actually, how are you doing now? Well, as you can see, I'm always fine. Where are you going to?
I'm going to the market to get something to prepare for my father-in-law. That reminds me.
Chika told me that she saw your fiance dropping a Joma at the front of her compound.
Radio without battery. How does that sound on your ear? How does that set, Chika said, sound to your ear?
Well, it sounds two ways though. It's either it's the truth or lie. But with the seriousness on her face, I believe it's the truth that she was saying.
See, hope you're not making me look stupid here. Hope you're not making me look like a stupid person because my Charlie I know will never have anything to do with that idiot. I trust him so much.
Okay, if you say so, bye-bye.
He can never have anything to do with that fool.
Charlie, listen. It's been 3 weeks since you came back. And I've been watching you. All you have been doing is lavishing money from one hotel to another.
Look, this money you have been lavishing, if you add a little to it, it's enough for you to erect a building for yourself on one of our land, especially the one at Isuna.
Wait, Papa, you expect me to come and erect this kind of thing? No, now, God forbid now. Charlie Champagne. Papa, relax, so I've got plans. I'm thinking of building a massive edifice. Something the world will talk about now. There's this money I'm expecting from my business partners. Huge sum of money. In billions. Once it lands, Papa, I will do something no one has ever done before. This is Charlie Champagne now. I am not lame. I am in charge of this game. Make it cool down, relax.
Sorry, my son. Our people say na anejionu etinyas unofe. In other words, you don't add fish into soup with your mouth. In Latin, they say solvito ambulando, which means it is solved by practical experiment. All this thing we are talking is only when you do it that I will take you serious.
Before the money land, erect this type for yourself. When the money comes, you cannot start building that your castle in the air.
Papa, go.
All right, that one done. What about your marriage to Zamekbere? It's only good we fix a date now.
Papa, relax. As soon as everything is in place, I will make plans.
If you say so.
It is so easy to fall in love, but it is harder to find someone that will catch your heart.
Look at her. Will you come here? They can never cut their coat according to their size.
Who are you talking to? Zimi?
Why are you pretending? Please, I don't want to repeat myself again. Leave my fiancé alone. Did you hear me?
Zamebere, what are you talking about?
Why are you still pretending? See, leave Charlie alone. Charlie is mine. Focus on your local Onitsha boyfriend and let him be. Did you hear me?
And who is feeding you with all this trash you're saying?
Wait, you think people are not watching you? Thank God for Chinwe for disclosing this to me.
So Chinwe came to meet you and told you. You believed? See how stupid you are? You are very, very stupid.
Wait. Yes! You said I'm stupid. What can you say? You're stupid. Okay. I will show you how a stupid person behaves. Look at this idiot. No. Are you mad? I hate crazy. Look at this. What do you want?
Huh? Why are you sounding like a child? I can't believe you're the one asking me this question.
So what question should I be asking?
Listen, I want you. I like you. I want to make you my woman. As a matter of fact, I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Don't you understand? Look at me now. Charlie Champagne has made so much money. I want to just have a family of my own, that's all. That is why I want you to be mine. Be my own so that you can shame the devil.
What gave you the audacity to tell me what you just said? You think I'm going to accept your request?
Okay. You're different from all the other girls I've seen in this village. All these girls are empty vessels. You're very different from them. That's why you're special to me.
Clap for yourself. This is how you go around deceiving ladies in this village. I am not one of them. And I have told you before, Charlie, whatever your name is, I am not interested. Leave me alone.
Why? I don't understand what you mean. Why are you saying these things you're saying now?
I cannot be deceived like other girls you do. Please, leave me alone. For the second time, I am not interested. Excuse me.
The guy at the go, you can call him Charlie Buga, Charlie Cash, Charlie Oliego, Charlie Enter Village.
What's all this one say? Ta. Ta.
Charlie Oliego, Charlie Enter Village, Cash, Charlie didn't for a guess. Hey, if you not be Charlie.
Babe. 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 Hey. Where's my bag of money? Hey, where's my money? I kept it here now. Ah! Hey, Charlie, don't fuck up. Ah! Charlie, don't fuck up. Hey, Charlie, don't oversleep. Charlie, don't fuck up. Hey, my... Oh boy. I kept all the money inside that bag. Let's go to reception now. Next thing, I just saw that here.
This money where you spend, because I'm finished.
Security.
What's going on now? Open the gate for me. My guy say make I no allow you make come out. I don't know the issue.
What do you mean by your guys should not open the gate?
So my manager talk am now, no do talk am. You say I be get employed.
Wait, where's your manager? Manager! What kind of nonsense is that?
I will say okay, see my manager.
Manager? What kind of embarrassment is this? I don't understand. What's embarrassment? You asking not to open the gate? Of course. It's an instruction from the boss. You say we should not open this gate. If you want to go out, you can go out. Not with this. Wait. Because of ordinary 80,000 I don't want me to drive out of my car. I thought we discussed this before now. Until we discussed it, no problem. I said so. Yes, I accepted. But the issue is that when we discussed it was 45,000 naira. Now it's 80,000 naira. The more you stay, the more accumulated bills you're getting for yourself. So just pay us and you go out.
Agnes, I don't understand if your son really wants to marry my daughter again. Eh? Because for some months now we've not seen him.
It's really giving me concern. I don't know what came over him lately. All we have discussed, he did none. No fukwa. I'm yet to pay 200,000 naira pledge I made during the pew donation in our last meeting.
You've not paid it.
Hey, all he keeps telling us is that we should give him some time.
Agnes, time is what we don't have. What if another man comes for my daughter's hand in marriage? What will I say?
Mbano.
She's a woman, no.
I understand, but don't say that. Because I will talk to him. Maybe we'll come and do the introduction. Later, we'll now plan for a bigger wedding.
Are you sure? Agnes, are you sure?
I'm sure.
If you say so, it's okay. You know I kept that my daughter for your son.
You only tried.
If he's not ready, let us know.
No, if he's not ready. He's ready. It's ready. Just little time.
Move on.
Hey, when you will be
no problem. Bye.
Eliza, my friend, thank you very much for making my daughter's dream come true. My God, the God I serve, will continue to bless and replenish your pockets.
Amen. Amen. You see, I've come to understand that in this life, it is good to be good. All your daughter owes you is for her to graduate with a good result. See, I will advise you to tell her to always put God in everything she is doing in this life. Then every other thing will fall in place for her. Okay?
All you are saying here is nothing. And she promised that she will make me proud. I trust her. And I know the God I serve will never put me to shame.
Amen. Amen.
You need to see my heart. I'm so happy.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay, Mama, with you. It's okay.
They say love is blind. True love is hard to define. I work with love and come for love. You love Papa. Don't listen to them. You're my lover. You're in my heart. Your love. I love you, Abima. Love, you're my lover. You're my lover. You're in my heart.
My car broke down, so I had to look for a means to come here.
Okay.
Let's go.
Go with what? Who's this thing? Ah, God forbid. How do you expect me to enter Keke now?
No, look for a new one. This one is brand new.
It's not about looking for a new one. Me, I cannot enter this thing. I can't enter it. If my friends see me, what would they do? They will start laughing at me that I'm inside Keke. Where is your big car? I want to enter your big car. I cannot enter that.
This is with the mechanic, man. They're trying to fix some things there. This one, I had to make sure I select a nice one. Okay, wait now. I'm coming.
I can't. See, I've been standing under this one waiting for you. Now you came with Keke. I cannot enter Keke.
Baby, now. Alright, it's alright. Let me fix my car. When I fix my car, I'll come too. Okay, they come. Okay, stop this thing now.
Come and carry him. Fix your car. When your car is perfect, just come and carry him. Then we'll go.
Alright, now if I fix my car, I'll come and carry you. You will not hug me. Come and hug me now, please. Thank you.
Want you to car, come and carry me.
Yes. Right now, if I fix the car now, come and carry me. Yeah? I want for you.
This money where you just spend, go soon finish. Tell you
saying that you went out with your car, and as you came back, I did not know.
Papa, my car is bad. It's at the mechanic shop. That's even why I came here. I need 100,000 naira now to go and fix my car.
Where do I get that kind of humongous amount you have just mentioned? Huh? I have actually stopped my firewood business, and I am actually living on what you have been sending me.
Papa, the amount is not humongous to be humongous. It's not now. It's a very small amount of money. At least from the other lands you sold, now all the lands you sold, there should be change. Give to me now. Give to me. Let me go and arrange myself, please.
Did I hear you say or talk about land?
Papa, I said lands. Not land, lands you sold.
Huh? I mean, you of all people, you should know better than to ask me to sell lands. Huh? All the lands, all the pieces of land we have, I sold all of them to send you abroad. Huh? The only one that actually left is the one at Isuno. And as long as I'm alive, I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to touch it. It's a taboo.
I've only got a bit here. At least there's one remaining. Now you're talking now. There's one remaining. Papa, let's go and sell this thing. Let's sell it to. I need other 2 million or 1 million, sir. Please. I need money now. Please, Papa. Let's go and sell that thing.
Charlie, I don't want to believe you have done nothing. But tell me, is there anything happening going on around that you have not told me?
I don't understand. I need urgent money.
I am glad you are here.
Mama, don't be glad, though. Don't be glad.
I was going to tell you.
Tell me for what now?
About the church donation I told you about.
Mama, please stop this nonsense. What kind of thing is this now? Why will you go and donate money on my behalf without informing me first? Papa, can you imagine? Mama went to donate 200,000 naira to the church without my permission. Who does that now?
Agnes, why should you do such a thing? Huh? I need this money.
Mama, I don't have that kind of money to give to any church. 200,000 naira. If I see it now, I'll solve my problem. What are you talking about? You want to go and donate 200,000 naira to the church. Just go and tell their mama that you made a mistake. You wanted to say 200 naira and then you say 1,000. 200,000. Yes. It's simple and short. They will not even think anything. After all, it's God now. God will understand that there's a problem in the house and there's no money now. What kind of thing is that now?
My enemies are at work.
It's a lie.
You brought it upon yourself. No enemy.
Your enemies have not even started. Please, Papa, let's look for a way to go to that where is that property? Please, we need to I
need this money. I need it. You have done banana. Charlie. Don't do this to me. In the midst of mad people. I need this money.
Why will you go to the church and donate 200,000? 200,000. If I see that money now, I will just solve my problem. And you're here telling me you need this money. Mama, leave me alone. The donation that you donated to church. What kind of show is that? Mama, go and tell her you are joking. You make 200 naira, not 200,000. If it is me, I want to even sell this car because I'll be traveling back to the West. I will not travel the car. I think you find someone for me. You take your 80,000, you give me my balance.
Okay. I have a friend who I think might be interested. So what I will do is I will snap the car, send it to him. Then, whatever things I will let you know.
No problem. The guy is still very calm. Yeah, but I bought it brand new.
Okay. Let me just get my clothes. I can take the drop off.
No problem. Go ahead.
You don't see what you do yourself.
Jerry. Yes, Alex. Did you see the car I sent to you on WhatsApp? Yeah, that's right. Do you know that car is giving it to you at 2 million naira?
You don't mean it?
Yes. I mean, it's a distress price. You know all these boys that squander money during festive period and they have nothing to fall back afterwards.
I have the same car, but rented it out to one of my old customers. So where is the location so we can go and see the car? It's very nice.
Well, it's in my village. The manager of the hotel I used to love sent it to me. And he said the owner of the car needs the money urgently. So I think we should rush it.
Alice, I suggest we go and say it tomorrow. Because that car is above 5 million naira.
Tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll do that.
Well, like I told you earlier, I'm having the challenges at work. But as soon as I set myself back, I'll come and see you. What?
Alright. So when am I going to see you?
Don't worry, I'll call you. I'll call you. I'm just angry. This kind of problem. After the amount of money I invested in this business, they're still delaying my money. Huh? You know what I would have been doing now? I was even planning to start building one hotel here.
Everything's going to be fine.
Just put me in your prayers.
No problem. Take care of yourself.
Take care.
Yeah.
See Anyash. Just see Anyash. You are looking for who will send you to America. I don't enter plane before. Idiot.
This is the car. Boss, what are you even saying? As we speak, the owner of this car is in his room.
Then call him. Tell him that the buyers are here to buy the car.
You don't have to worry, I've already called him. He will join us shortly. I know what I'm saying now. If the idiot I rented this car to.
It's not like that. I was actually trying to see if they'll come out.
There's no way you can.
This money where you spend, cause I'm finished. Tell you about it. If I feel one, I'm gonna feel. Now you don't go to
here. Is anybody here? Who is calling? So you're inside.
What is the problem, Emeka?
I saw your son, Charlie, being taken away by the police. Charlie has been arrested by the police. I don't even know what he did this time around. I don't know what he did. Charlie, where to the police station? Nani? I think I saw them taking him. They took him to the police station close to Nkwagu Market. That's where they took him.
Please take us to the police station immediately.
I should take you there.
Please.
Hey, stop shouting this thing. You are confusing me.
Emeka!
Let's go! I told you that devil is at work. Let us use leg. No, Mama, it's going to start. Push it, Mama! Hey! Enter.
Emeka! How long have you been driving keke? All that is manifesting here is just the trappings of a new fighting keke driving.
Hey! 1 minute it will start.
Hey! Okay, come out, let me drive. If the mountain cannot go to Muhammad, let Muhammad do it.
Yes, come down, let my husband drive. Come out! Now wait now.
This money where you just spend, cause I'm finished. Tell you that if I feel one nobody, I'm gonna fear. And when now you don't go to square one.
So you guys have not heard what happened? They arrested Charlie on his way to sell someone's car.
Which Charlie?
Which other Charlie do you know? Who that wants to marry your sister?
Hey! It's a lie. Are you sure?
Am I sure? I'm very sure. Okay, come on, so you see for yourself. Let's go. Hey, I'm coming. My mother is waiting for me. I will join you later. Let me go and check on my mother.
Okay, see you later.
Take care. Take care. Okay. Okay. Arrested.
Hey! I still can't believe what you told me yesterday. That the car he has been parading himself with is not his car.
Hey! Oh, do you know the worst part? He did not come back from any America. He came back from Port Harcourt. I mean, Port.
Hey! Parakot Nkaya.
This is unbelievable. Telling you.
Hey! Your sister is very lucky.
Very lucky.
He did all he could to have her. But she refused. She declined.
Thank God.
And your sister told me that the day he came, the day she accepted, he came with keke. That was why it did not work out. And I thank God it did not work out.
Sister is very lucky.
She is a very lucky girl. Yeah?
I'm happy for her.
Hey!
Chima! Come, go inside, May tap this hammer for me. May you thought to tap for me for here. May put this in. Check that your own well. If I say they check yesterday when I check them, take am well. Now I go easy for the messing person. Why you now? Come on. Ejida.
Well done.
Well done, sir.
Well done. Yeah. Not like you do things. Oh, it's not what I do. Eh?
No, this one, we don't do everything. I'm not going to do everything. Not only for the medicine person, like the medicine person, because I will use the men. Gila, Taya, everything will do. After that,
are you sure? Okay, let's see. Let's see.
That one, my boy will come now. He will start to stand up for you.
So what are you thinking?
Let's say,
let me see the content.
My God, don't call my dad. I know he come. You get what you go after me. Why you go up?
Out of my way.
I will. But I want to tell you that my eyes are officially off from that riffraff. That fool.
good for nothing entity. So you can go ahead and have him.
Wait, is that why you blocked me?
Yes. You know, a girl like me can't be seen with that riffraff, that empty vessel, low-class fool. So you know what? Go ahead and enjoy your Charlie boy, okay?
See, the next time you try this rubbish again, you will have it hot with me. Don't even stop me on the way to tell me trash. Are you mad?
You know what? I'm not going to fight you. You know why? Because I'm far better than you.
You cannot do that. You cannot try it.
Low-class.
Rubbish. Big fool. Stopping me on this. The day you try this nonsense again, that day I will undo you.
This money why you desperate? Because I'm finished.
Hey.
My friend, leave me alone. What is it?
Hi, my love. I am just coming from your house. Eh?
Yeah. Charlie or whatever they call you.
Charlie Champagne.
Don't you ever in your entire miserable life call me your love again or stop me here to call me your love. Are you mad? Why is this boy pestering me now? See, take your lying self. I'm sure what of you deserves it.
It's about that thing that I'm a changed person now. I have changed. I'm serious. I have changed, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm not like those lying guys again. I don't lie. I go straight to the point and tell the truth now. Hey, everything's soft, babe. Just give me another chance. Give me another chance and I promise you I'll make it better.
A second chance to do what the village champion like you. I mean, take a good look at me. Just look at me very well. You see me? How can a classic find you? I mean, among all the girls in this video, I'm the most prettiest, finest. I stand out. So, why would I condescend so low to deal with you?
I want to do something.
Charlie Champagne. Shut up. Charlie Action. Let's go, my friend. Your sister and they're looking at you. Looking at you.
Babe, please let me talk to her now.
Just looking at her. If you just
you don't see what you do yourself. Charlie, if you give me my love, I put up my door. Now you don't come to zero. Now you do yourself. You don't see what you do yourself. Charlie.
Have you heard that Pikin is getting married? I heard. I really messed up. It's supposed to be my marriage. I messed it up because of that stupid, good for nothing. What was it called? Sorry, Charlie.
Huh? I feel so stupid.
You know, yours is actually better. I can't believe that guy could count fake money and give to me. He is so heartless. What's the meaning of that? Do you know I was almost arrested? I was so lucky they let me go. Plant my last since the hard way.
See, I like the fact that he played all of you. So next time when you see all these abroad guys, you use your head, both of you.
They will still play you.
They will not play me. I'm very smart now. I'm a very smart girl. I'm telling you because I like you people. You are my friend. Next time you tell me about that.
Zamekbere, my daughter.
Papa.
You're aware of the imbroglio your friend, my son, Charlie, has gotten himself into. I want to know what is your stand with him in the now.
My stand with Charlie still remains the way you have always wanted it. If only he still have me at heart. That he got himself messed up in one way or the other does not change who he is. Sometimes one can fall into one mistake or the other.
That is it. That is it. You are living up to your name, Zamekbere. That means China Zekberem. And again, I like the way you are sounding philosophical. Huh? You are my dream daughter-in-law. Huh? You're a good woman. Keep it up.
Thank you. Thank you for your fatherly love and your consent towards me. I really appreciate everything.
You are always welcome. You are welcome. So keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
If I will just describe your action in one word, I will say it is quite supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
You go with you. It's okay.
It's alright.
My baby, my baby.
Joe, isn't that you're noticing me? When other girls have finished your money, you even have money yourself.
Why are you talking like this now? I don't understand.
Why won't you understand?
No, finish my money. Which kind of update?
Why won't you understand? All the whole girls for this village has finished your money. Now remember who is Obi.
My dear, they cannot finish my money. Yes, now. I only did some investments and I'm waiting for the container to land. Container load now, 30 feet. Do you understand? Don't worry. You know, I like you so much. Yes. I have dumped all the other girls. I want to focus on you.
Really?
I want to make you my girlfriend.
Really?
Yes, really now.
Wait, Charlie, calm down. Look at me very well. Look at me. Like, can you even take care of me as a girlfriend? Can you even have, like, do you even have money? Where do you go?
Who did ask this question? Charlie Champagne.
Do you have money?
Charlie Champagne, now they tell all these things. You don't have respect, you don't have regard. You see money man and you're telling him this kind of thing. Babe, cool down. As soon as my container land, I clear my goods. I'll spoil you. I promise you I'll spoil you.
Sure.
Yes, now, because I want to make you my girl.
See,
I will spoil you full time.
Sure.
Charlie Champagne the couple.
Don't do me promise and fail. Don't do me promise and fail.
Baby, Charlie Champagne not do promise and fail.
Sure.
Relax. Let me do here now. What's in the soul? I'll treat you well. Thank you so much.
Hey! Wait till this so. Okay, so my sister Tonabi. Don't go better for you, this useless man. I shut up. You what do I nonsense, Joe? So don't see better person before you can't be using this incomplete human being.
My friend, you shut up. No, you they mad. Who they call incomplete human being? Me? Look at this crazy woman. How can you just bash into my territory and then you're talking anyhow? You smoke bomb. I be take colos. Respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself. You be like saying that this your fat this thing nine they deceive you. This thing where you go so for aquacum. Now they deceive you, Abi. Nonsense. Such your fat full everywhere.
You say fat full everywhere. You know say whiskey, Two-Face. Even Davido, you rush me. You know say I be that crush. Oga?
Who do this?
Who do this? Which thing?
I don't understand. Davido dey for Okpanam. Now I don't understand. Which Davido be that? Whiskey. Oscar Whiskey. You get whiskey wake for house. Something they work you. Be like say this is not a mental problem. So as you dey like this, you feel say what do you mean Davido and whiskey? Would they look your type? I know they look you based on say what happen. Say you carry what be this?
This thing is now one in town. Hear me fine. Now one in town, Oga.
Madam, I bet she before you mess here.
You know say my name is Whiskey. Tell you sing Caro. Carolina, Mama. You know why you like that music? You know why you like music? Empty vessel.
Who do you this thing?
Who do this thing?
They deceive you. So because of this thing where you go cook for aquacum. This now say you go do for aquacum, and now they give you hope, Abi.
You see am, now whiskey dey come me so you see am, but I no go pick am. Hear me, you don't see am? Look at where I no go pick am. You see me, I know in the same class.
Man see that call again.
You want see the call? See am, Thomas. You don't see am?
That thing no be whiskey spelling, now whiskey. No be that man where they sell whiskey. Number with that. Whiskey, shame no they catch you. No shame no they catch you. They parole up and down say whiskey they call you. Babe, let's get out of here.
Where? I am follow like this.
Come, let's go.
Paso!
Come, let's go, Joe.
Come, Paso.
Ever young.
You were smelling abroad. Looking so fresh.
Look at you. Of course, I took the freshness from you, Mama.
Hey! You're welcome,
Mama,
man.
I've really missed you.
I missed you.
I really missed you.
I missed you. Man.
You know what? I bought you a car. This is your car key?
I didn't hear you.
Mama, I bought you a car. This is your car.
You bought me a car. Hey! Hey! You mean I'm now a car owner?
Bam! Of course you are.
Hey! Hey! But now this is too much for me now. Eh?
Let's be clear. Hey! Say that. Eh?
All this for me.
Mama,
hey!
If I am capable of giving you a factory that produces vehicles, I would gladly do it. Mama, you deserve the whole world for all your prayers and support through school. Oh. Come on, Mama, don't say that.
You know what?
Have your car key.
My God will continue to
bless Amen.
You will never lack.
Amen.
Oh,
he says
so
that's your car key.
So this is for me now.
Mama, come on.
I can get my motor. I can't wait to drive. Oh. Hey, Mama, I must drive.
Mama, you're wearing red. And the color of your car.
As if you know. Hey, please come and tell me how to drive.
Wow, Mama. I have really missed your delicacies. This is so tasty. Mama, you know you're the best cook in the world.
Have you considered running a restaurant business?
Don't even go there. Don't go there at all. I don't have strength for such business. You know, I have worked all my life as a teacher, also as a principal of a school. So I am tired and retired. All I need right now is to rest. Yeah, suggestion is okay, but maybe I will consider that in my next life.
And in your next life, I will still be your son. I will personally and single-handedly sponsor the restaurant business for you.
Thank you very, very much. Thank you. Son, you have done all I asked of you. But one thing is left.
And what could that be, Mama? You know I will do anything for you.
Well, Mama, you see, I actually saw that coming. I made up my mind that once I return to the kitchen, I will get married. So, you have nothing to do. But come to think of it, you have.
I don't have anybody, but I strongly believe that we still have some young, fresh girls in this village that you can settle down with. Eh? I suggest maybe you stroll around and make your choice. You understand? I believe God will direct your movements.
As long as I have your blessings, who am I? Once I get out there, like you said, God will direct my path.
Yes,
and
so
I will get to meet the most beautiful and well-behaved lady. And I will bring her here to introduce her to you.
Just like I said before, I strongly believe that God. And I will keep praying for you too.
Amen. Amen.
Thank you so much.
No problem, Mama. I know you can't wait to
I can't
have
wait
your
to
grandchildren.
I can't wait. That's what I've been praying for all these years. So now that you are back,
Mama, let me take this to the kitchen.
No, don't do it.
Nice one. You're doing a good job. I am really impressed.
Thank you, sir. My mother made a lot easier for us and she's a kind and good woman.
My mother, she is kind indeed.
Yeah, very nice.
And the best thing that has happened to me in this life. So, how long will it take to get every other thing fixed? Like the interlogging, the alimaco, the roofing?
How long are you staying, sir?
2 months or thereabouts.
And I need to employ more workers.
It's okay. Do whatever you have to do, to get this whole place fixed. I will make some transfer to you.
Thank you, sir.
It's all right.
Thank you, sir.
I will have to take my leave now.
Okay, sir. I appreciate it, sir.
You're doing a good job.
Thank you, sir.
Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Keep it up. More contracts to come.
I appreciate it, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, beautiful.
Hi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Where are you heading to?
I'm going to the market.
Oh, wow. Okay, why don't you hop in? I can drop you at the market.
No. I believe you're not going to my direction, but I don't want to stress you, please.
Oh, come on, you're not stressing. You can take my whole day. I don't mind. Wow, you're such a beautiful dancer. Why don't you go on? I'll just make a revise and go to drop you at the market.
You sure?
Sure.
All right.
I have noticed that Agnes has been absent from meeting for months. And up till now, she has not redeemed her pledge. So I suggest we pay her a visit.
That won't be necessary.
We all know that our abroad returning son lied to all of us, including her. And I don't think she can be able to pay that money. I'm not sure. See, Monica, all this brass, it is none of our business. See, she must pay this money because it's already documented. She must pay the money. No mercy for this journey. No mercy.
Praise though. We all know that this country is very hard this time. Let's reach out to her and hear from her first before taking any action. That is my own.
President. I stand where my sister is standing. Let's reach out to her. Depression the real. Let's know what is happening to her before we conclude. Biko. Oh, magic can I have to say
It's okay. It's okay. You all have spoken well. That means we need to adjourn this meeting till next week. But before we go, I want us to share this little thing here. You know, yesterday my son came back from abroad. And he bought this. Tomorrow I would like all of you to follow me during morning mass for Thanksgiving. Wow. Yeah. By 5 o'clock, I'm there.
President Gadoni.
Please come. Come and share these things.
Everybody, I to have my own.
Made in Canada. Nene waterproof.
Made in Canada. I will eat the potato. No, this one is takeaway. Take away. I will show it to my children. My own.
You're right. It's your own. HK. I just transferred 200,000 naira into your account. It's for the remaining materials and workers' payments. Remove 3,000 naira from there. Use it and buy food and drink for the workers.
Thank you.
I am very happy with the work. They are diligent.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll be on my way now.
So quick. Why not stay and eat something?
Okay. I'll go and see them what they're doing besides, ma'am.
It's alright. I will come to the site later in the evening.
Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it, ma'am.
Bye.
soliloquizing, approaching.
Sister, who was that?
Well, he said his name is Mike. He took me to the market, waited, I bought all the things I needed, he paid for it, and brought me back.
Wow. He looks very handsome and rich.
Right?
Yes.
Yes, you can say that again. Yeah, I believe he's handsome. Anyway, where is Mama? Where is Mama?
Where is inside?
Mama! Look at where he's back, oh!
Hey! So Eliza now owns a car. Not just a car, but a very fine car. Hey. Her son made it that big. Are you sure he's not into ritualists? To fear what? Agnes. Why can't you be happy for once, Eliza? Eh? I know that woman has not done you anything wrong. Listen to me. Yeah? In fact, Agnes, I think it's time you let go of any anger you have on that woman. Monica. On Guinea-Kudu. Hey! On whose side are you? I am not on anybody's side. I am on the side of truth. Yes. And I am telling you the truth. In fact, your presence is needed at the next meeting. Make sure you're there. I'm leaving. Hey! Monica, talking to me like this. Because Eliza's son bought him a car. Oh, kwano chameleon kawanya. Hey! It's good. I know my son. My son will do it. That one car. The latest is what my son will buy for me. Monica.
Mama, don't you think you should come with me?
No, son. I can't go with you. I think you should go first and make your intentions known.
It's okay. In that case, can I have your blessings?
Oh, son. You always have my blessings. May God go with you.
Amen.
Go and come back with
you. It's alright, Mama. I'll see you soon.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Hey.
Good day, ma.
Good day, my son. You're welcome.
Thank you, ma.
Hello.
Yes, Mama. I met him on my way to the market some days ago.
You're welcome.
Darling.
Go and get
Thank you. Mama, I know you don't recognize me. My name is Mike, son to Eliza Okafor.
Oh, you are Eliza's son that came back from abroad. Yes. Oh, you're welcome. Oh.
Thank you.
No,
Thank you. Hey. How is everything going?
Fine, oh, you have seen us. Everything is fine.
It's okay, Mama. Thank God. Mama,
Yeah.
I brought this drink as Omenala to make my intentions known. I want to marry your daughter.
Have you discussed this with her?
Not really.
It's good you came to me first. but I think you should discuss it with her. Hmm?
It's okay if you insist. Can I talk to her now? Thank you.
Ugebe, where are you going?
I didn't know you were this serious. I thought you were one of those men who just want to have their way and then disappear.
Nah, far from it. I knew from the very first day I set my eyes on you that you were my missing rib. That rib I have been longing to meet, praying and dying to have as mine. And I believe this is my dream come true. Please, will you be my wife? And I'm serious.
Yes.
Yes? Really?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, it's gold.
It's gold.
Yes. You like it?
Yes. Is it good?
Yes, good. It's good.
Let's go and drive with your car.
Really?
Let's show people.
Everywhere?
Yes.
Everywhere?
Let's go to your car. Let's people. I want people to see us.
My mom will be here soon.
Okay.
Oh, yes, she is.
My daughter, you're welcome.
Hi, Mama.
Please drink and make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your mother and I are executive members of CWO. And I used to eat her cara very much. Son?
Yes, Mom.
I think you made a good choice here.
Oh, thank you, Mom.
I accept her as my daughter-in-law.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama. So all we need to do right now is to put everything in God's hand.
Amen.
He is the only one to perfect this good work he has started.
Amen.
Amen.
Mama, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Let me allow both of you to... Oh my goodness. Yeah. I'll
Mama,
see you guys later.
No problem, Mama.
Okay.
I'm still around, huh?
Alright.
And I never knew your mom and my mom were in the same meeting at the church. CWO, right? So that's nice.
They say love is blind. True love is hard to define. A word for love will come for your love, Papa. Don't listen to them. You're my lover. You're in my heart, your love, Mama. Pick up what they say no more. I love you, Mama. Pick up what they say no more. Love, Mama. You're my lover. You're my lover. You're in my heart, your love, Mama. Pick up what they say no more. Pick up what they say no more. Pick up what they say no more. Love, Mama. You're my lover. You're my lover. You're in my heart, your love, Mama. Pick up what they say no more. In a no be more. Pick up what they say no more. Love, Mama.
So from fake abroad husband to real abroad husband.
You can say that again. And this one is loaded. Have you seen the house he's building?
You mean the one I told you, no, right? That house is a mansion.
You know, your sister is very lucky.
I'm telling you.
Very lucky. I wish I can get such husband for myself.
Me too.
Yes.
Me too.
Amen.
Abi, who no like better thing?
Amen.
Me, I like better thing, no. I like better thing.
Yes.
see you.
I'm happy for her. I'm praying for her.
I want my own approval for exactly.
Madam, how far now? I was just coming from your house.
Why are you coming from my house?
Ask me that.
Why are you putting it? Right. The person says don't want to get married to you. Is that like the reason you will be beating me?
You mad?
Don't worry, my sister will not marry you. My sister will never marry you. What are you?
I was coming to your house, but thank God I met you here. What is your Please help me ask your son and his friend what my daughter did to them that made them beat her up like this. What did you do to them?
Mama, I did not know.
You did bad mouth me.
Mama, I did not
Just look at her body.
Sorry.
Oh my.
Monica, my son. You know, child is now our son. Eh? Well, I'm not good. Sorry, I'm not apologizing. I'm not happy. Just warn him for me. Warn him more. I will talk to him. Warn him more. Sorry.
I don't fuck up. Huh? That's this girl just chop all my money for nothing. She don't even give me anything. Nothing come out.
Huh? You don't fuck up. Full time. Wait. For this village. Girl chop your money finish. She no give you pona.
No be as you dey reason am. I just feel say make I maintain this girl as my babe. You understand? Make I just keep am as my babe. You know, maybe later we'll still marry.
Your babe? For this village?
Yes now. What you want make I tell you now?
My guy, but you know say you don't fuck up. Normally.
You go they do Jehovah Witness with the girl.
But see,
I just don't feel myself. I don't understand myself again. But then I mean still dey like this, I've been another person. No, I don't feel myself again. How dare you go run me this kind of thing? Hold me?
I relax, my tell you. My reason is something. I get a plan. Come, I tell you. Chicken.
This guy.
I suspect this guy.
Oh boy. This guy is a very bad guy. This guy is a very bad guy. Bad guy.
So you don't smile now.
This guy is a very bad guy.
I like this one.
This guy is a typical bad guy.
Are you sure you don't want to come inside?
I would have loved to. Maybe some other time. I have to rush down to the site.
Okay. Alright now.
And make sure you eat well. You know, you barely eat these days. Yes, you're dieting. So I'll see you, okay?
Alright.
Talk to you on the phone. All right. You take care and say hi to Mama.
Yeah. Wash our cows.
Of course I will. I'll see you.
Why are people not smiling? Why your face is looking like this? What is going on?
Sister, is it not Charlie? He beat me up because I told him he will not marry you. Sister,
I don't understand. Charlie beat you up? Yes, for what reason now? I don't know. Why would Charlie touch you now? For what reason? Why would Charlie beat my little sister? Is he mad? Has he lost it? Mama, please, I'm going to...
Come back here. Come back.
Why would he beat her up? Why?
Where do you think you're going?
I want to go and confront him.
Confront him for what? Don't you think he will harm you?
Harm me? Charlie, harm me.
I think this has to do with Mike's proposal to you. That's what is causing all this rubbish.
Wait, so in Charlie's wildest dream, if they tell him that me, Ugewe, will stoop so low to marry a low life like him, he would believe. Hey!
Mama, I think we should call Michael and report to him immediately.
And tell him what? Tell him that your sister was supposed to marry Charlie, but the marriage did not work out because he became poor. Have you forgotten he collected money from Charlie severally? What are we going to tell Mike?
But Mike is very rich. He can pay them back the money now. That won't be a problem, Mama.
Shut up, Amaka. Let me think. You know, I think we have to keep this marriage good. Immediately. That's it.
Mama, can you believe Monica is about to give out his hand in marriage to Mike?
Huh? Monica will do no such thing. She promised to wait till you bounce back.
Mama, they lied to you. Eh? They lied to you. Monica and Gilbe are on abroad husband mission. Yes. He's planning to give out to Mike. Hey! That marriage is not going to hold, Mama. Not after they have squandered all my money. I just removed myself. Charlie Champagne. Wasted all the money I had on me. All the billions I made in America.
Eh?
Mama, no, it's millions.
The marriage will not hold. Monica.
I will not allow it to. I will do everything I can as a human being. I will not allow it to happen. Kept it. Squandered all my money.
Monica! Give me one here now. Where is this Agun for? Monica! Give one now. Where for the phone? Monica, what is this man doing? They want to give you the way in marriage to mine.
Adi, the young man came and asked for my daughter's hand in marriage, and she accepted. What could I have done? Oh, suddenly you don't know what to do after you and your daughters have squandered my son's money. Oh, you think she will leave him and get married to another person?
Hey, Monica,
you lie. I know what to do. Emma Mokoma. You know I told you delay is dangerous. But you didn't listen to me. Anyway, I thank God how everything turned out too. If not, this my beautiful daughter, with the boy boom, would have ended up with that mistake son of yours. I thank God for everything. Yes, so how dare you insult my son? You are very shameless. You are shameless and useless. After pushing your daughter to my son. used her in stealing for money. Now you have. Choose another target. Eh? Monica, you failed. You know me now. You know me. I know what to do. Don't dare me.
Please. You cannot come to my house and insult my mother and call her useless and shameless. What's that now? Secondly, if you must know, I did not do anything with your son.
Huh? Who do I ask?
Ask him. Ask him.
Do you know you and my son that you're doing lovey everywhere? That was enough proof. Eh? You know me very well, no? You know me. In short, I know exactly what to do. Hey, I'm going to make a way.
Mama, please, I know Agnes. She will stop at 11. Is he the only person that sees me? Is he? Which money did he even spend? I didn't tell him. And my team is going to tell my people he can help us and pay them back.
Mama, let me quickly go to Chekube's place to get the farm one and some bushmeat. You know you like bushmeat. No problem.
I do. Okay, no problem. But be faster about it, okay?
Sure, I will, Mama. I will.
Okay.
Want your son! Want this your son to stay away from my son's wife? Again!
Your son's wife?
Yes.
Mike, what's she talking about here?
I don't know.
You don't know. Did I hear you right? Did you just say you don't know? But you are gallivanting with her all over the village. Ugawe is my son's wife. Stay away from her! Stay away from her! Eliza, Chalupaka Walum. Chalaka Walum!
Is it not the same girl you brought home some days ago?
Yes, Mama.
Try him again. Maybe he is busy. Try him again.
He's still not picking.
No. Come. Please, come. Why is he not picking?
There is nothing that will. Don't talk to her or see her until we figure out what this is all about. Do you understand?
I know what to do.
You do?
I know what to do.
It's okay.
Wait. Call me Charlie Champagne. Sweet boy, when no they give pain. If you try me, you no go complain. I dey like you like Olumente. Hey, I dey chop plantain. Plantain. Chop plantain. Hey, plantain. my guy.
My nigga, I'm still the baddest in this game.
Man,
Good day.
you
Good
have
day.
really improved in your rapping skill.
Like I told you, I'm the baddest in this motherfucking game,
Nah,
bro.
don't go there.
Now we the run now.
You are not the baddest.
How?
Remember, I have always been the best. Right from our days in school.
Bro, forget that thing you're saying. Forget this your old school bragging. That was in the past, not now. We have gone global. We are global now, my nigga.
Don't forget, once a soldier, always a soldier.
No, not on this platform.
Give me beats. Let me show you. I still got some. Give me beats.
Wait, you want beats?
Give me beats.
Calm
Let
down
me freestyle for
now.
you.
Beats is here. Don't worry.
Yeah. My name is M.I.K. My name is M.I. King in the East, indefatigable, unable, capable, spiritual, physical, mentally stable. God is dimple, stable before me in the presence of the frenemies, bad belly peoples. See them faces like pimples. I still got it!
Nigga, still good, bro! My guy did that again, bro!
We don't make money, no mean say we forget our roots.
I'm telling you, no, I believe you.
Still know our roots, man.
What's good? What's good?
I'm okay, man. Okay, no problem. Enjoy, my brother. It feels good to be home.
Hey!
The reason I invited you is for us to talk as brothers, man to man.
Normally.
Yes, you know I am not a troublesome person, and I don't indulge in anything that will stir up problem.
Of course, I know you very well now. Yeah, I know you very well. You're a very peaceful man. I understand that. So you're talking about the problem. What is it? Is there?
You see, Charlie, the issue here is that this girl called Ugegbe, I know you know her. You know she is the girl I want to marry. Yes. And I invited you here because of what your mother came the other day to say. Your mother said that I should back off. I should stay away from Ugegbe. The reason being that Ugegbe happens to be your wife. And I don't know about it.
Well, she was not far from the truth. I will explain. I came back to this village last December after I got duped by the traveling agency. I think I told you something like that. You know, before coming back, you know, I had to package myself as a guy man, you know, arrange one car, package my pocket and, you know, engage myself. On arrival, my mother and Ugegbe were the first to see. There and then, my mother told me that Ugegbe is going to be my wife. Simple. I and Ugegbe started dating. I was doing everything for this girl. My brother, do you know that this girl took me to where I bought hair, Ntutu, for as expensive as 300,000. 300,000! This girl did not pity me. Is it her mother? I used to buy that one, koi. I buy her clothes. You know? This was how I was managing, treating these people nice. Then unfortunately for me, I got busted. Everything. That's how this girl disappeared. This girl disappeared.
But if I may ask, did you in any way pay for her dowry?
It was as good as dowry now because everybody in this village knew us. Everybody, you know, all the guys gave way because they saw her as my potential wife and me as her potential husband. So they made way for us, you know. It's just that this thing happened and I wasn't able to meet up with the bride price. That's just what happened.
Charlie, it's quite sad anyway.
Yes, very, very sad though. Very sad.
But if you look at, the way everything went, don't you think it is the will of God? Like, you both are not meant to be together. And now,
how do you mean?
Yes, you both are not meant to be together because all those while you were busy gallivanting, spending the little money you had, you would have used it to do the important thing, but you didn't. So I think it's not meant to be.
No, you can't talk like that. Now. It's equivalent to doing the important thing. Do you know how much I bought her? At least, if not for anything, for the amount of money I spent on the mother, that woman can consume money. She can consume every day and agafia. My son, I am going to the market today. Anything for the girls. My son, I want to go and see my people. Anything for the girls. That was how I was spending. Spending. I felt I had already done everything that was needed. I had done everything. As simple as that. So I don't know what else to say now.
This money where you just spend because I'm finish you. It's a ribanya.
Charlie.
If I feel logo,
Charlie, wait.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine. It's like you're going out.
Oh, of course, I'm going out. I'm going somewhere.
Please, can I talk to you about something?
Go ahead.
Okay, see, Charlie, this your road work you're doing with Obi, it doesn't suit you. Why not go into the keke business with your friend Emeka? That would be better. I know I don't really have the right to talk to you, but I'm so concerned about you. I prefer the keke business. That would be better for you.
You don't turn to zero. You don't see what you do yourself. Charlie. Village it out twice. Now you don't turn to zero.
Okay.
You don't see what you do yourself.
Bye-bye.
If you give him a melody, now you don't turn to zero. Now you do yourself. You don't see what turn to zero. You don't see what you do yourself. Charlie. Village it out twice. Now you don't turn to zero. You don't see what you do yourself.
So that was what happened. We weren't intimate at any point. I swear, we were never intimate. So I just feel he's doing all this because of the money he spent on me and my family.
It's all right. I've heard all you said. And I believe you. I promise everything will be fine. I will fix this. Okay?
So now that you have heard from both of them, what do you make out of it?
All I can say is that they are not meant to be together.
Charlie had the money to pay Ugegbe's diary when he returned to the village. But he was busy lavishing his money, forgetting that delay is dangerous.
So what do you intend to do?
I will sort him out.
Sort him out? How?
I will refund him whatever he has spent on Ugegbe.
Really? What if he refuses?
He wouldn't dare.
Because opportunities like this come but once. With or without Charlie's consent, I will still marry Ugegbe.
If only God permits. Yes. If he permits.
Mama, I have taken care of everything. There is nothing to worry about. Okay?
How did you do it?
Never mind. Okay? So, Mama, were you able to stabilize the date for the marriage, like I told you? Oh, really?
Yes. But they said they'll give me the next meeting.
Oh, okay. In that case, you will keep me posted. All right.
Thank you so much.
It's all right. My love, you feel okay now, right? It's all right.
The guy I better go where you can call him Charlie Buga, Charlie Cash.
Papa, just transfer 300.
Charlie enter village with cash, maybe Buga. He say he came from overseas. Osio Charlie Cash.
Mama, I just sent you 300,000 naira. Take 200,000 out of that 300,000. Pay the church people for that thing you did. Please, next time, don't go and donate money on my behalf. Oh. I don't have money. Please. I'm going back to the city tomorrow.
Charlie.
Mama.
Where and how did you get such money? You transferred 300,000 naira to your father and 200,000 naira to me.
Mama, it is 300,000 naira I sent you. You don't 200,000 naira. Here, this is the receipt. 300,000 naira. Use it and settle that church donation you made. Please.
Charlie.
Papa.
Charlie.
Pa.
Charlie.
Ogilikwa.
How many times did I call you?
3 times.
Good. That 3 times is going to serve as a witness against you. In case after this transfer, anything untoward starts to emanate. You see? I mean, are you sure you have not done any illegal deal?
Papa, I don't do illegal deals. I'm a straightforward person. I don't do illegal deals.
Hey.
Eh? And from where this money is coming from, more is about to happen. All I have to do now is just calm down and, plan myself very well. I'm moving to the realm of billionaires. Just know that one I know peace.
Nah, are you sure? No fun. No fun. What happens? After withdrawing this money, you're going to either bury it on the ground or at least keep it on hold in case anybody starts come and start knocking furiously at our door.
Yes, Papa, you want to bury the money I sent to you? Please, take my account number. Send it back to me now, my friend. Take my account. Send it back.
I will first transfer 200,000 naira to the church. Then you can either bury or put on hold whatever you want to do. No, I will pay the church donation first. Then you can bury the remaining. Come back what?
Why do you want to bury the money I gave you from my hand?
Instead, when they come and then I use it and pay them.
I gave you money from my heart. You want to go and bury it? No, send it back to me.
Man, I don't understand yourself. If I can sleep with both sides in this house from now on.
Thank you. Oh, wow. You come to let me know. Wow. That's good. I wish you said that. It's alright. I will let you know one good day. All the best. All the best. Take care of yourself, okay? Bye. Wow. Who was that? Oh, Mama. It's Charlie. He called to let me know he's on his way to the city.
That's very good. I am very glad that everything is settled now.
Yes, of course. Mama, I want to quickly get to the site. My attention is needed.
It's okay.
Please, can I borrow your car?
Anyway, okay, you can go with it.
Good. Permission granted. Thank you.
You can. So what would I do?
How did it happen?
So, there's a policeman called me this morning. She said that armed robber attacked him and got away with all our materials. And I come here this morning and I found out it's true. No material was left. I'm sorry, sir.
So where is the security? It's okay. I'll talk to you.
So, have you guys heard? Where you want? Maybe I'll go back to the city.
Oh, wow.
When did this happen? We left today. Yes, 6. So, when are we going to wear our charade? Baby, are you okay? Hello? Yes, sure. I'm okay. Yes. So what are you saying?
Through Mary, our mother, we succeed. I want to remind us that tough times, it always passes. When my family and I were having some challenges, some of you here scorned us. You mocked us. Today, God has made everything new again. He has made it whole. Because He has the final say. Like they always say, dry bone shall rise again.
Agnes, please go straight to the point. We have other agendas to discuss here in this meeting. Please. Mommy, never go.
On behalf of my son and I want to redeem the pledge I made last month. So, President, please give me the CWO account. Let me make the transfer. You can write it out for me.
She will do the transfer here, not tomorrow.
Please let me give it to her. Okay, Fidelity account. Done.
Check if it's 2,000 naira. No, it's not 6,000.
Thank you! Thank you, baby! Congratulations. Aggie, Mama. Aggie, Mama. God is faithful. Indeed, God is faithful. I am happy that your family has overcome that phase of life. And I also pray God to prosper and bless your son in the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
Amen. Through Mary, our mother.
Succeed. Oh, what are you doing? Our next agenda. Our children's harvest is coming up very soon. Second Sunday of next month. Let's start discussing on how to go about it. Oh, that girls will come to see. Right.
You think Agnes paid you her 200,000 naira at the meeting today? And her son also left for the city. Something is wrong somewhere.
What? Me, I'm having these weird feelings as well, though. Chris, how did he all of a sudden get such an amount of money?
No. Don't you think my dad keep the money? Have you both thought about that?
Did I tell you he gave Charlie money?
He didn't tell me anything. He only said everything is sorted out. He didn't say how or what he did to settle it. So I don't know.
Then your sister might be right. Whatever the case, I am happy he is out of our way. That's all.
Ogechi, Mama, school is really good on you. Look at you. So beautiful.
Thank you.
Please sit down.
Anytime when.
You're looking good. No, please sit.
Thank you, Mom.
How have you been? I'm okay. When did you come back?
Earlier today. School's on holiday, so I decided to come and check up on you and know how you're faring. How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, you look good, Baba. It's good to see you. Good to see you. What's happening?
Fine, no, we thank God for everything.
Well, you're looking very good. Anyway, Mama, I bought you.
For me?
Yes, fruits.
Thank you so much.
I love that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you, Mama. You have been looking good.
Thank you so much.
So, what's the secret?
I bless God though. You know, my son just came back.
Your son?
Yes. And since then, he has been taking good care of me. Look at me now.
Amara Mama, you're looking very fine. I'm so happy for you.
You too.
Good things. You deserve everything good in this life. Hey, I'm happy for you. So where is your son? At least let me say hi to him.
He's not at home. He went to the site where he's building his house.
Is that not his car there? He didn't go with his car. Why?
That's not his car. It's my own car.
Your car?
He bought me car.
Hey!
I am now a car owner.
I'm so happy for you. You deserve everything good.
It's God.
Hey!
It's God.
Thank God. Congratulations.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you so much.
Just that sometimes I just wish you were my mother.
Biological or not, you are my daughter. I want you to have that in mind. You are my daughter.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for everything you do for me and my family. Mama, God bless you. Thank you. Hey, happy for you.
I'm happy for you too.
Mama, it's good to see you. Okay, Mama, I have to leave now. I'll come back later.
You want to leave me just like that?
I'll come back again, Mama.
Please don't go now.
Come.
Stay with me
I'll
now.
come back again.
Because
Take care. Stay with me now. I'll come back again and check on you.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mama.
No problem.
Take care. Eat your food, oh. Send
my regards to your mother.
Alright, Mama. Send my wishes to your son.
Alright. Bye.
Bye.
Such a nice girl. She bought me fruits. I won't eat it alone though. I will keep for my son.
Mama, here you are. I was actually coming to the backyard too. I just got back.
Did you see Ogechi? She just left here now.
Okay. No? Who is okay?
The girl I told you is sponsoring her education. Have you forgotten?
Oh, my bad, I remember.
She came back on holiday, so she decided to pay me a visit.
It's okay. That's tough for her.
Son, you don't look happy. Is there any problem?
Mama. Some thieves went to the site last night. They made away with my building materials worth over 3 million naira. My ties, WUCs, name it, Mama, everything. Who would have done such a thing in this village?
How did it happen?
I don't know.
This is not good now. This is not good. I know the God I serve will never allow the devil to win us. He will always fight for us. Now see, just take things easy, okay? I will advise we should stop the work at the site right away and concentrate on your marriage plans.
Mama, the plan I had was for you to move into that house before I travel back.
Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. I am very okay here, as you can see. I will even prefer to stay here than going to that mansion to be staying all alone. Yes, I prefer here.
But Mama, the plan I had was for you to move into that house before I travel back.
Son, it's okay. It's okay. Let me just manage here. Let me just be managing here.
It's okay. I understand. I have reported the case to the police. They are on it. Yes, and I'm certain they will be prosecuted. It's okay.
I love this design.
Oh, it's very beautiful.
I mean, like this lace. It's so fine.
Yes.
Oh, look at this one.
Yes, it's good.
I think I should wait for you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, the design is fine.
Okay. But what color do you want?
Colors. I really don't know much about colors. I'll leave that to Mike.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So what about this?
Speak up an angel. Hello, baby. Really? How did it happen? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. Okay, call me back. Okay, yeah, sure. So what's happened? Mike's mother. She was attacked.
Hey, attacked?
Yes, and the robbers made away with her car.
Robbers? What is all this now? What is going on? Wow.
Mama, what is the problem? You've been sitting down here only God knows how long. What are you thinking about? Why are you moody?
Just last night, I had a dream where you were shot. And today, I was attacked and robbed. Who knows what will happen next?
Nothing will happen next, Mama.
How can you say such a thing? At first, it was your site that was attacked. And now, this one again. I am really worried. I am really worried. I will advise we stop these marriage plans for now.
What? Mama, I have put everything going on the site on hold. And now you're asking me to halt everything concerning these marriage plans? Come on, Mama. I barely have time. I will be traveling back soon. Don't you understand?
Would you rather stay in here dead or go back in one piece? I'm asking you, answer me. Answer me. Well, I think we are rushing this marriage of 18. And there is something we must do.
And what could that be?
Yes. So when is the wedding holding? Sort of next month. It's alright, I'll be there. Business is fine, it's fine. It's doing well. Alright, take care. There'll be no wedding. They'll do any wedding, make I die.
Hey, Ugogbe, please, where are you? Michael had a fatal accident.
Are you serious?
As I'm talking to you right now, I'm in the hospital.
Which hospital? Okay.
The doctor said his spinal cord was severely injured. Yes. They said they will need to operate on him. And the chances of him walking again is 50-50.
50-50? Hey!
Please, I really need you here. Yes, I came out to call you. Please, just come around, okay? I'm waiting for you. Let me go back to the hospital to be with him. Thank you very much.
50-50. Mama? Mike was involved in an accident. And then 50-50.
Calm down. What do you mean by 50-50?
Mama, the accident was so severe. It affected his spinal cord. Like, he might not be able to walk again. They said the chances of him walking is 50-50. Mama, 50-50. Mama! Let's go see him. Let's go.
Hey!
He might not be able to walk again.
The doctor said he's stable now. But his spinal cord is severely injured and they need to operate on him. Hey! The chances of him walking again is 50-50.
50-50?
50-50.
Hey!
I don't know what to do.
50-50. Mama, what is all this now? What is all this? Mama, which one is 50-50 again?
My brother, people like say you can't go back village. Yeah? I get information say that they are wedding. Nah, 3rd of next month. So you're supposed to go back village, me start to run things. You understand?
So what about the car now? What you want to do?
Nothing, I don't find person who will refurbish them now. Arrange them, swap them. Simple as ABC.
Hello? What? Okay, alright. Thank you for the information, yeah? Thank you. Okay, alright.
What's up?
I get good news for you.
What's up now? Tell
Mike
me.
get accident and the guy injured badly.
Confirm. Everything not easy for me now.
Yes, normally now. Everything don't clear. Matter don't
I
clear.
want for you. I don't need to stress myself.
No,
like
no,
this
no, no. I
again.
dey tell you. Oh my God. So now the matter be saying, I can't look at say, like say you do 1 or 2 small things.
I know you run that kind of thing. I'm already run things for me.
I'll be.
You comfortable?
Yes. Where is Mama?
Mama? She's not around. She went out.
So who made this sumptuous meal? Wow. This smells nice.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Could you help me get my phone from the sitting room?
Oh, okay. Just go ahead and eat. I'm coming.
Alright, thank you. Oh, there you are. Thank you.
How's you?
Wonderful. Wonderful. I love it.
Thank you.
You want to?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Thank you so much. This is nice.
Thank you.
Caro, baby. Caro, what's up now? Caro, come on. How far with the banks? What's going on?
As you feel like it's travel day.
Travel kwa?
Na.
To where?
What you gonna concern you?
See, Caro. See, Caro. Okay, you know what, Caro? I've come for you to, negotiate. You remember those things now you used to tell me? Caro, I'm back for you, baby. Caro, today, you got me. Anything you want to do with me, Caro.
As you feel like I travel with me whiskey too. Since yesterday, they give me rest. Say, Caro, where you do? Enter moto. Ma, come meet him. More remix that is song where you use my name sing.
Oh, sexy Caro.
Na.
But see, Caro. Come on, Caro. Caro, you know what? I was actually coming to your house. You remember those things you used to tell me? Caro, I'm back now. I work tea. Caro, use me as you like, man. I'm your man now, Caro. Sexy Caro. Caro, see, you don't need to go anywhere. I'm back for you. I'm for you right now. Please.
What do you want to talk to?
See, Oga. As you dey talk all this nonsense, I don't want to be smart. But make I shock you.
Show me.
You see my sister Caro? She can sing. She's the best singer.
Are you serious? Caro, baby.
Why are you talking too much? After sister, freestyle for no dey waste time. Shake up. Yeah.
I'm looking for Caro.
Yeah.
Caro, baby.
Let's sing for nonsense.
See, Caro, see. Leave whiskey. Caro, see. Amobi is the best singer.
Caro, baby.
Caro! See, Caro, baby. See, I can sing more than whiskey. Davido, name them. Caro, I'm the best singer. What? Caro, come back now. Caro! Oh my God. Damn! Caro! Caro! Man, right now I'm confused. This one don't. Caro!
Is he not mine? I don't know why he's calling my number like that. What do you mean by that? Mama, me, I'm tired of pretending. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm tired of pretending. Eh? No, look at me now. Am I not beautiful? Eh? I cannot end up with a crippled man. How do you expect me to end up with a crippled man? He's crippled. I can't be with him.
So what are you insinuating?
What I'm saying is that this marriage will not work. It won't work. Like, I did not even enjoy this relationship. For 1 second, I did not enjoy it. Yeah? When I was dating Charlie Boy was giving me gifts. He was showering me with plenty gifts and money. You can attest to it now. Yeah? He used to come to the house, dash you money, dash Ochako Maka money, dash everybody money. For one day, Mike did not give me sheshe, 1 kobo. Is it not obvious that this marriage wasn't meant to be? We were not meant to be together. So it won't work. Mama, we need to call it off. If he calls again, pick the call and tell him that you and I have thought about it, that we will not marry him. Tell him like that. He's talking about marriage. Now he's crippled. Mama, I can't pretend. I cannot be with a crippled man. Mama, look at me. I'm a very beautiful girl. How do you expect me to be with a crippled? A crippled man, Mama. As an in-law, think about it. We should aim higher. We can't settle for less. Mama, I can't be with him. See, if Mike calls, this phone is here. Pick it yourself and tell him that you and your daughter we've thought about it, that this marriage will not work. You as a mother, you're telling him that he should relax and look for another girl. There are plenty fine, humble girls that can nurse his wound, but not me. I cannot be working with a crippled man. Pick his call and tell him that. God.
Children of nowadays. I should keep it fair.
Ugegbe has not been picking my calls or responds to any of my messages. Make it worse. She has totally refused to come visit me for the past 2 weeks.
My dear, I am not surprised. I saw it coming. But you have nothing to worry about. I am here for you, and I will always be there for you. You know, you are all that I have. Okay? Ogesh has also been helpful, you know.
She's really a nice girl.
Yes, she is.
Who is there? Come this way. Hey, bro.
Hey, Charlie. Champagne. Mama, how are you now?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Thank you. I came as soon as I heard.
Charlie, if anyone had told me that I would be on wheelchair today, I wouldn't have believed.
This is crazy. This is terrible, man. So what about your wedding plans?
Wedding? Everything about the wedding has been postponed. To further notice.
Madu.
Hi.
Oh, wow. Man, I said I should come and check up as soon as I had the shoot.
Thank you so much.
Alright, man. Just take care of yourself. Mama, please. Take care of him, man. I have to run now.
It's okay.
Okay.
Right. Mama, take care. Bye.
I want to go.
I understand. But I don't want you to go. Please. You say, you have really done much for me. I mean, you have been going on an errand without any grumbling. You've been the legs that I lost. Please, I want you to stay.
You will, but not today. Please. You are such a nice person. Like, I never knew someone like you still existing in this wicked world.
Thank you. Oh my God, you're welcome. How did it go?
My dear, the police said that they have tracked down the vehicle and they have arrested the culprits.
Wow.
Also, they told me that one Mr. Charles sold the car to them.
What?
Of course, yes.
Charles.
Does the name ring a bell?
Is it Charles O'Connor?
Yes, they said so.
Huh?
You know him?
Uncle, don't you know Charles? Charles, my cousin. The one who is parading himself as a musician.
Oh, I can understand. That is... In that case, we arrest him immediately.
Yes, but that will be in 2 days.
Why 2 days time?
I have a plan, Uncle. I have a plan. Charles.
We need to arrest him immediately.
Charles has been the one behind this whole evil.
They said so.
When did you come back?
Well, not long ago.
Welcome back. I have really missed you.
I miss you too, eh? Yes, I got this for you.
Oh, wait, for me?
Yes.
Are you serious? All this for me?
Now come on. I got
wow, baby, thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Eh? You're going to wear them on the day after tomorrow.
The day after tomorrow. What is happening that day?
Don't worry, you get to find out.
It's okay, trust me, I'll do that for you. I am so happy. Thank you so much.
It's alright.
Thank you.
I knew it. I knew that something was not right with Charlie.
Mama, I sat Charlie down as a brother and advised him to let go. Afterwards, I gave him some money, but he chose to stab me at the back. As for Ugegbe, that scumbag, she betrayed me. All for what? Mama, I think I have kept quiet for some time. It is time to show them what I am made of. It is time to put them where they belong.
The guy at Pechago, you can call him Charlie Buga, Charlie Cash, Charlie Oliego, Charlie Enter Village. He said he came from overseas. What's your name? Charlie Cash, Charlie Oliego, Charlie Enter Village. Charlie didn't for our guest. Hey if you not get Charlie, you not couple of men say Charlie was a panoko for our village. All our guests, they want to Charlie. Again, you get talkies. Now smoke some. Papa Charlie, you're gonna walk. Again, you get now smoke some. Papa Charlie, you're gonna walk. Charlie, go to a mission. Opposite your job, you go to are you sure you are within your senses? Charlie finder, below your temper, this village is for me and you. Charlie take it easy, go for all our soul. Charlie Cash, Charlie Oliego, Charlie Enter Village with the cash, baby. He said he came from overseas. Charlie Cash, Charlie Oli. Charlie enter village with the cash. The Charlie they rent for our guests. Hey yo, if you not be Charlie, you not couple of myself. Charlie was one of them. For our village, all our guests, they want to Charlie. Again, you get talkies, not small guests. Papa Charlie, you're gonna have a walk. Again, you get sagis, not small guests. Papa Charlie, you're gonna have a walk. Charlie, what do you want? This money why you just spend? Cause I'm finished.